You had a hectic weekend. Your little party happened.
Yeah, a friend got engaged, so she had a little party of at her house, but it was just his family, the man and her family, and we get invited to as her family. So yeah, it was really fun, and it was a very late night, so this morning was not easy.
Lol.
Also because I don't think we're used to going out anymore and like
Yes.
making a committed night plan.
Yes.
I
What is
hate
that?
it.
I have no social, like my battery is so low. It's like an iPhone battery. It's not Android. Needs to be charged immediately, all the time, again and again.
This is such a thing because see, my girlfriend is 2 years younger to me. तो
Hmm.
उसके friends full ऐसा party
Energy. She
ऐसा, and this guy is like कि और सर कैसा है आजकल, हाँ बोला सब ठीक है यार, चल रहा है सब वैसा. तो इज लाइक क्या हो गया सर, आप बात नहीं कर रहे आज बराबर से. ऐसे मैं उसको थैंक यू बोला बेलपुरी, मैं कभी थैंक यू नहीं बोलता उसको क्योंकि दोस्त है मेरा वो बेलपुरी वाला. मैं बोला यार थैंक यू गुप्ता जी, मैं चलता हूँ ऐसा करके.
oh.
तो उसने बोला क्या हो गया सर आपको, क्यों ऐसा हो गया. मैं बोला यार हो गया, अभी बात मत कर यार, हो गया. पता नहीं यार.
I have a similar story, but it's not so like sad in that way. It's more that the sandwich guy, like the Bombay sandwich guy underneath my office building, who I basically became friends with, and then I added him on WhatsApp. And then instead of going down to get the sandwich, I would just WhatsApp and being like, Embassy Chambers 6 mala मैं हूँ ना वो हाँ आप sandwich भेजो. Then for the entire year we didn't go to office, and then when I went back it was COVID, so it was like I don't think you should order from like you don't know how sanitary it is, whatever. Though I didn't care. It was like every day I'd be like, today should I not? Then literally 2 weeks ago, Tash, remember when I texted you all that I had a sandwich in the office?
Correct. Correct. I remember.
Right. So that day I was going up in the lift and he was going up as well. And I was like, Tulsi, what are you doing here? And he was like, ma'am, आप ऑफिस वापस आ गए. एंड आई वाज लाइक या एक मतलब अभी 2-3 महीने हो गए आपने सैंडविच नहीं मंगाया. एंड ही वाज लुकिंग सो सैड. आई फेल्ट दैट गिल्ट ऑफ लाइक आई वाज लाइक नहीं आज ही मैं एक्चुअली आपको मैसेज करने वाली थी. एक्चुअली अच्छा होगा आप मिल गए. आप मुझे 1 बजे एक सैंडविच दे दो.
But you know,
How
I the
sweet.
same sanit जो आप बोल रहे थे कि like I checked his mask. मैं बोला चलो ये नाक के ऊपर मास्क है, उसका एक ग्लव्स भी है, मतलब अच्छा बंदा है, इससे खाना चाहिए. So I
सही है.
checked all these things and then I ordered. And I am very reckless. मैं कि चलना fuck it, जो मेरे को थोड़ी होगा, मेरे को हो गया, ऐसा था मेरे को. Till the time I got COVID twice. I was like fuck, ये तो दूसरी बार होता है.
1 minute. Okay,
Wait,
ladies
you
and gentlemen.
actually got it
Firstly,
twice?
this
Yeah.
is nuts. How can she slap?
So once I
How
got
can
in
COVID slap
October.
you like this?
So once I got in October, this was when you go for shoots and mandatory test होता है. तो they said कि you have COVID. I said मैं खुद लेने आया रिपोर्ट, तो कैसा COVID है मेरे को.
Oh. So was it a false positive?
No, it was a legit because I tested next time also. कि मेरे को लग रहा है false है. I tested again.
Yeah.
Again positive. I said shit dude, ये तो हो
Oh
रहा है.
shit, so you probably
So I
have it.
had but no symptoms that time also. And this time I was shooting और set पे ना 2-3 लोग down थे. तो लोगों ने बोला कि एक काम करो, सब लोग कर लो. तो वो 2 लोग को हुआ. And then मुझे लगा ये तो मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है because I you know when I tell you that कि मेरे को COVID है शायद and you are with me, you also feel that you are COVID. अगर होगा
100%.
नहीं तो भी मतलब it's terrible overthinking कि होगा. But if I get negative, you're like कि हाँ कुछ नहीं था मेरे को. The same thing हमें
Correct.
वो लोग
This is
positive आया.
Psychosomatic.
100%.
हाँ,
Yes.
तो उसको पॉजिटिव आया तो मेरे को भी पॉजिटिव आया. एंड आई वाज लाइक वापस मेरे को कुछ सिम्टम नहीं, मेरे को पता नहीं पॉजिटिव क्यों आया जा रहा है इतना तुम लोग के साथ. बट आफ्टर 7th डे माय डॉक्टर आल्सो सेड कि तू रीटेस्ट कर रहा है, तेरे को फॉल्स है. 7th डे को आई लॉस्ट माय स्मेल व्हिच हैज नेवर कम बैक.
It
What?
hasn't come. So wait, since October?
No,
No,
The second
after
time.
April second time.
April.
Oh, babe, you got in first and second wave. I'm
हाँ.
so sorry for you.
We got in first
How are you
wave in
feeling?
September.
So you got symptoms?
We were in the
No, we
same
were
house in
properly
Goa.
sick, but we
Sick as
thank God we did not lose our sense of smell and taste.
I
because
lost my taste and smell fully.
Bro, you
fully.
didn't. You're
Not
such
forever.
a liar. You're such a liar because you said you didn't have it, and then that one day that we decided to be really gross and we were like, okay, let's indulge and like just order junk. We ordered McDonald's. That is the day Ritasha said, oh, my taste has come back.
But it had been like 2-3 days.
But that
of no
happens with
taste
your
and
brain
smell.
also, because if you tell कि मेरे को taste नहीं आ रहा, it actually stops getting you taste. ऐसा होता है. So because my brother was saying, मैं मेरे भाई को भी साथ में, because he was staying with me only. So he said कि मेरे को smell नहीं आ रहा है. I said जाना, कुछ भी बोलता है. तो उसने अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है, मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसा. I said तू decide कर. तो next morning when he woke up, he said मेरा smell गया. I said चुप रहे रे, तेरे को कल भी बोला नहीं जा रहा है. तो उसको सारा air freshener सुंघा रहा हूँ मैं, सब दे रहा हूँ, हींग दे रहा हूँ उसको. So
I was spraying so much deo and I couldn't smell it. I was like, is the deo? I couldn't understand for the first 10 minutes कि मुझे क्या हुआ है, by the way. I was so confused.
So when I'm doing all these things to him, I'm like, bro, मेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा है यार ये तो. Then I like shit. And for the next 7 days, I woke up like a dog and I started sniffing everything. हाँ अरे नहीं, अब तक नहीं आया, अब तक नहीं आया, अब तक नहीं आया ऐसा. But I was like, मेरा taste नहीं गया. So I could taste everything, but there was no smell.
But that's so funny because taste is like
And smell is
70% smell.
connected.
Yeah, but I don't know. Taste and smell तब तक नहीं आया, and it's very weird because I never knew smell is such an important and integral part of your body.
Yeah.
पता ही नहीं था because गैस जल रहा है, बिल्डिंग में कोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फट गया, तो मैं तो जैसा ऐसा बैठने वाला कि हाँ कुछ हो रहा है.
So you still can't smell.
It's very like 10-20% like ऐसा होता है कि मतलब हाँ कुछ हो रहा है वैसे.
There are some things, I think somebody did. Rushika tell us that there were some things you can do to regain your smell.
There's
Like-
lot of things.
There's a lot of
Okay,
things that
I'm
you
going to
can
have to pause us all on this very exciting note of regaining
smelling
smell.
things. Okay.
Because I think we've had like almost 7-8 minutes of an episode without introducing our very fabulous, very funny, and very warm and lovely Gujarati guest. My favorite Viraj Khilani. Everyone.
Hello. This is such a weird.
Hi, Viraj.
It's a random introduction.
Random ऐसे मतलब कि अरे भूल गए ऐसा.
हम ऐसा कुछ अलग हर बार करते हैं. We are cool, we are young, we are hip, we are different.
We go based on what we have remembered that week. Like,
We don't make any rules. We
We don't
break them.
it's not even breaking rules. We just don't have them. We don't know what the rules are. Some days we're like, oh, we should follow this
But-
this structure.
That's how adulthood is. No, I don't know what's rule also.
Ah,
I
nice
know, मैं
plug.
बात
Nice
इंटीग्रेशन
plug.
करने में बहुत सही है.
That's really good. That's how you sell it.
Yeah, शायद.
No wonder you have so many good ads on your Instagram.
Ayushi has done her homework, it seems.
Yesterday and today, I like obviously I've seen your content, like
बोलने
because
का
you
तो
are so
चलेगा,
big.
चलेगा.
But then no, obviously. But then yesterday I did a proper stalk. Like I went reel by reel by reel. By reel, by
Oh.
reel. And I was like, oh, there's so many ways of, because you know what I like, actually, I will say compliments to you is I don't know that you're doing an ad or a promo till like you get to that last part where you talk about it. So till the first part, I actually think it's like oh, this is like a funny content piece. Like it's like you've thought of like a relatable joke, or you've thought of like, oh, this happens to everybody.
I
like,
admire that so much because
Because
I
I
can
think
never
it
do
takes
it.
a
Mine
lot
are
of-
very addy.
yeah, but
So
I
that-
think it takes a lot
yeah.
of
That
like,
is-
yeah, like you said, in your integration is good. Like it's really on point.
That is that one thing which I've learned from Filter Copy. That's what they've
Right.
taught me, that ki you should whenever there's an answer to your video, that's an ad. Because like अरे मेरे बाल बहुत झड़ रहे हैं, ये लो, wow.
Yeah.
So
That's not there in yours at all.
so that's what I've learned, and you know, in terms of video, that's I've created a niche in the video ki I'll be very relatable. Like I'll be
Yeah.
अगर funny नहीं होगा ना चले, बस funny is very subjective, but it has to be relatable कि हाँ ये हुआ है मेरे साथ, ये कुछ तो है ऐसा कि ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. So
Yeah.
and I don't apply makeup, I don't apply ऐसा random, मेरा कोई ऐसा शोशा वैसा मेरे को, because that's how 70-80% of this India is. So I don't want
100%.
to get into that कि मतलब कोई बाहर आके बोले कि अरे वीडियो में तो ऋतिक दिखता है, ये ऐसा क्यों दिख रहा है लाइफ में. तो I don't want to do that. Like fuck it, जैसा है वैसा मैं हूँ, मतलब है. Like I was so ashamed of my body type also. I was so ashamed कि मेरा सब पिंपल है कि I thought fuck it, क्या ये सब क्यों कर. I recently मैं जिम कर रहा था, मैं शॉर्टलेस जिम कर रहा था, मैंने लास्ट में वीडियो लिया, मैं बोला yeah this is I have man boobs, क्या कर रहेगा तुम लोग को.
Yes,
मैं बोला,
Viraj,
fuck it.
you
And
are
that's
the
good.
body positivity icon we need.
Bro,
But
and
this
people
is
are
like, this is so weird though, that you have to portray like the you you have the average male body. There's nothing wrong with that. Like the
Yeah.
fact that even a normal person who is not on either side of the spectrum of weight
Yeah.
feels bad about it means like how, like we've done some major damage. We have done some major damage to people's psyche to make them feel so bad. But I get what you're saying.
But
Like the
I am
minute you
I
put
am
yourself,
conscious about my weight because I don't want to gain. The reason is कि there's a continuity issues and बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं which I'm shooting and वो
Yeah.
but other than that, if I want to eat,
you all have different problems.
You know this problem. Ayushi knows I had some weight continuity problems.
अरे I for the last 2 months I'm on 93 only. I can't lose, I can't gain. And उसके जैसे ना अगर मैं थोड़ा भी gain होता है मेरे को लगता है यार I don't want to do because I'm
Oh,
doing a
no.
very big project of my life and I can't say it. So
Oh
but
my god.
because of
This is-
that it's a difficult thing to do all these things. तो वहाँ पे वो और किसी बाकी तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
But that
करते-
comes across in your content that it's very like it's like you had the idea, you shot it,
I
and
shot
you put
it.
it up,
There's
and
no
it makes
production.
sense.
There's no because people like it that's well because I want to also give this thing out कि मतलब जो है जिससे ना उससे काम चला लो. जरूरी नहीं है कि तुमको ऐसा वाला बाप प्रोडक्शन का तो ही वीडियो अच्छा है. जरूरी नहीं, मेरा काम चल रहा है ना, लोग ऐसा आ रहे, पैसा ऐसा हो रहा है, तो फिर क्यों करने का इतना मेहनत.
That's true. That's really true.
I agree. I love the spontaneity of it because even I, the kind of any
Yeah.
whatever little bit of stuff also I've done, it's always been like, abhi shoot karo aur dalo bas. I don't want to like
हाँ.
get too much into
Yeah,
all
because
the
see,
other stuff.
I believe that if you apply brains, no, तो फिर fuck हो जाता है. I always हाँ.
And while the idea is fun and while you're still having fun with it and finding it mazedar, you should just do it.
Because I started as a passion के मतलब then why am I using my brains in my passion. अगर ऐसा तो फिर 9 to 5 जॉब कर लेता, कोई अच्छा दिमाग लगाना ही होता तो. मेरे को नहीं करना ये सब कि मतलब अरे ये ऐसा है कि ये ऐसे होना चाहिए कि इसका थोड़ा बहुत एंगल समझ ले कि ये कंटिन्यूटी जंप नहीं होना चाहिए और ये एक्सिस जंप नहीं, ये सब बेसिक समझ गया. पर रैंडमली कुछ भी इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाता मैं. लोग बोलते कि कैसा समटाइम्स तो मैंने वीडियो बना दिया, मेरे को पता भी नहीं फनी है. लोग बोलते क्या सोचा रहेगा, तो मेरे को नहीं मालूम मैंने क्या सोचा है. मैं तो डाल दिया.
That you know which one of yours is that one which I watched being like, what the fuck was that don't talk to me, the one on the road.
Yeah.
And then the chai wala
Chai
thinks
wala.
you've ordered 2 cutting chai. And I was like, where in your brain did you see somebody on it?
come from?
Because you must have been scrolling through
Good.
Instagram and you have seen the challenges that don't
Yeah.
talk
Don't
to
talk.
me or
Uh-huh.
but you have seen in this symbolism, you have seen, hey, that's how I ordered chai.
That's what समझ चाहिए.
I was-
लोग करते.
It was so good. I found that one really funny for no reason, and it's not like an insult. I myself didn't know why it was funny, but I was still laughing a lot.
That's relatability for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
why
So
it's
that's why I
funny.
just
It's
thought that that's so good.
relatable.
Yeah, that is,
Yeah.
this is why I believe in this very जैसे हो ना, अगर पैसा है तो बोल दो पैसा है, नहीं है तो बोलो नहीं है, गरीब हो तो बोल दो गरीब हो. मतलब don't be like कि because Instagram पे people are very smart and in general internet पे people are very smart, they'll call out. So why to
Yeah.
behave like someone else? Like when I came from, this is what my learning also is from the 20s, mid 20s कैसे. When I joined Filter Copy, I looked up to this guy called Dhruv Sehgal, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
so
of course.
I came and I was the funniest in my building. I was funniest in my school, my college, and because I thought I'm funniest, this is what I believed in.
No, we also have the same problem. Don't worry.
So I thought कि मतलब ये मैं तो भाई बहुत funny है, लोग मेरे को भाई भगवान मानते हैं, मैं जोक बोला तो हंस देंगे. I came to Filter Copy corporate world, ऐसा लोग काम वाम कर रहे हैं और मेरे को लगा मैं जोक मारा है, लोग आके बोल रहे हैं ये जोक था कि स्टेटमेंट था, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. एंड मेरा जो दुनिया गिरा है और मैं फिर and when someone tells these things to you ना, तो मुझे लगा अभी ना I'm trying more hard, like I'm trying harder कि मैं जोक मार रहा है guys, मैं जोक मार रहा है, मैं जो ऐसा करके I started doing all these things because as a funny guy जो मेरा लेबल था, अभी मैं प्रूव करना चाह रहा लोगों को कि भाई मैं फनी है, मेरे को प्लीज सुनो. एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि ध्रुव के जोक्स पे लोग हंस रहे, बहुत हंस रहे, ऑफिस में कुत्ते से हंस रहे लोग. So I started talking like him, I started behaving like him, I started watching movies what he used to watch, listening to the same song what he listened to, जो बोलता था sarcastically बोलता था, मैं वो सब करता था. I became Dhruv, but a very weird version of Dhruv because I come from Korea and मेरे को English नहीं आता है. He comes from this अंधेरी, उसके पेरेंट्स बेल्जियम में है और उसको इंग्लिश आता है, वो बहुत साउंड गाय है. मैं खाली सोबो है which is South Borivali और कुछ सोबो नहीं so then I
love you.
like bro ये क्या then he only told me कि you are funny but you don't know because you are trying to act like me be the way you are that कि तेरे को middle class है तू तेरे को नहीं जमता है तेरे को आधी चीजें नहीं आती address what you are weak in like if you are weak in English address that thing people will love it because फिर तो मजा आ रहा then I went to Thailand वहां पे इंग्लिश नहीं आता वो लोग को मेरे को भी नहीं आता मैं समझ रहा था वो लोग इंग्लिश बाकी सब फ्रेंड्स ये क्या बोल रहे हैं मेरे को आता है कि ऐसे ही बोलते हो तो या अरे वो लोग को नहीं आता है मतलब properly because they are
I got it. I'm loving the whole visual of this. We are imagining you in Thailand now and
अच्छा वैसे
fully enjoying.
So whenever anyone fucks up in English now I feel like कि अरे टेंशन मत ले मेरे को समझा तू क्या बोला है टेंशन कभी कभी तो मैं खुद के इंग्लिश वर्ड बना लेता हूँ मतलब मैं खुद के बना लेता हूँ ऐसे मतलब फोनोलॉटिक ऐसा कुछ पब्लिक और हाँ बोला ना तो मतलब तेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा है क्या क्योंकि क्या ये ना वैसा है too much of
I love it. Viraj,
Mumbaikar.
I agree with you also. But this is the lovely Mumbai energy which we've never had on this show. We've never had a true blue Mumbaiker on the show.
हाँ मेरा ऐसा तेरे को मेरे को means what
Yeah, this
Actually, you're right, but because it's Teriko Meriko, there's so much judgment in that also.
yeah
Like I speak Hindi like this, right?
yeah.
Which is a South Bombay Hindi, which is Hindi that's like, oh God, which Ritasha routinely makes fun of me for. Like if we sit in an Uber, we go anywhere, she's like, she's always correcting me and like it makes me feel like, okay, I get it. I don't say it correctly. But now after Viraj, I'm gonna be like, are you Yeda, Ritasha? Because
Your
excuse me.
Yeda is also in English, bro. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि Yeda भी इंग्लिश में बोला है. You guys R को भी तुम लोग ऐसा टंग को R बोलते हो ना? Like that's how you talk.
मैं तो ऐसे नहीं बोलती हूँ. I don't say R.
नहीं,
I don't
with
say
South
R.
Bombay. नहीं, in general I
Yes.
thought कि इंग्लिश में ऐसा and they talk like this कि like you know like ऐसा like ऐसा
Yeah, like they are like
They're
all the time.
they're
Like they love
yeah.
to say like yeah.
That's how they're like.
I am nicely in the
Too
middle, I
much.
feel, of both these worlds. I love to have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Because it's too much fun also talking in this Mumbai fun way.
So for the longest time when I joined this app,
Of
लोग
course
सब
we
हिंदी में
know.
बात कर रहे थे, सब हिंदी में इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे थे. लाइक ब्रो ये तो नहीं होने वाला मेरे से. फिर मैंने ना कोई सा कोई जो लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर लोग जो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं ना कि दे टॉकिंग अबाउट कंटेंट एंड नीश कंटेंट एंड ऐसा तो बोल रहे थे. मैं उसने मुझे पूछा था सो विराज वुड लाइक टू पॉइंट आउट दिस एड्रेस दिस इशू. मेरा फक ये मेरे पे आ रहा है ये मेरे पे आ रहा है यार. तो मैंने बोला कि तो मेरे को ना ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है ऐसा सब. मैं ऐसे बात किया चालू सीधा. कोई हंसा नहीं कुछ बोला नहीं. बोला फक ये नहीं हो रहा यहाँ पे. तो फिर मैं खुद का चैनल बनाया. बोला मैं यहाँ बात करेगा. See, I know how to get away with these things. Like if that when I joined Snapchat, because no one took me seriously because I used to go for auditions. I used to go for random अलग अलग जगह पे कि मेरे को लो मैं फनी है मैं करेगा मैं अच्छा एक्टिंग करता है. Which I never did acting. मेरे को अब तक भी समझता नहीं. Which I realized. So that time no one agreed. So मैं खुद का डायरेक्टर खुद का एक्टर खुद प्रोड्यूसर मैं स्नैपचैट पे खुद का वीडियोस बनाएगा. So that's how I started making. This is how
So that's how it started, actually.
Yes, that's how it started. Because गुस्सा था मेरे को कि ये क्या है भाई ना कैसे बोल सकता है वो. तो
So you were already going for auditions and all at that point?
So I was doing engineering. And
Classic. This is the classic comedy route now. I've
Yeah.
found out that
and then I
basically
dropped
you're a
out.
guy.
Engineering
you're
का
in
दर्द
engineering,
चाहिए.
You have to drop out of engineering,
Yeah.
and it makes you feel all sorts of black shit inside, and then you
Yeah.
turn that into a special.
So,
That
yes.
is basically how it works.
So I was doing my engineering and my so I was very bad and I saw 3 Idiots that time पे. So I said कि घर पे जाके बोला मम्मी को कि मैं बनूंगा तो बहुत बुरा इंजीनियर बनूंगा. तो पर I never knew that my mom also saw it. My mom's like अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे. I said fuck dude, that's great. So my mom, because I was terrible. I used to always into like college festivals and all this cultural issue. मतलब जो भी करते थे उसमें तो hosting and संगीत में hosting शादी hosting सब करता था मैं. पर इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करता था मैं. And then my mom told me that ki you have a year, like I'll give you a year, do whatever you want to do, like pursue passion, देखो जो करना है कर. But if you can't do it, if you fail with everything, you have to come back to engineering. तो वो जो अभी मैं ये जो कर रहा हूँ ना ये podcast में because मेरे को engineering से डर लगता है. तो अगर मेरे को हर चीज में अच्छा बनने का, वरना मैं वापस इंजीनियरिंग जाएगा, अभी तो
You
नहीं
can't
जाऊंगा।
go. But now 1 year has passed since
Yeah,
long.
this is like long time.
But this
पूरा
is like the stuff that's driving him still. Like at some level, you're
हाँ
still scared
The
that
fear of
you're the fear
engineering.
of no. We have to make
नहीं नहीं
this
नहीं,
work
ये नहीं
because we
करूंगा।
can't go back to engineering.
Yeah, so वहां से I started, I did my call center का job, I did some HR का job, मैं salesman का job, सब डोर टू डोर जाके बोला कि सुन ये ले लो ऐप, ऐसा सब किया मैंने। Then I thought कि यार मेरा मेन फोकस तो कॉलेज में फंक्शंस करता था, मैं फेस्टिवल करता था, तो I used to try that also. So I gave for this stand-up comedy का thing. I used to love Russell Peters, so I used to follow him a lot. तो मैं वो करने गया था। संगीत संध्या होस्टिंग 1500 रुपए देते थे, वो लोग ताली मारते थे, मैं किधर का जोक चुरा के लाता था, ये सब लोगों को लगता था अरे वाह क्या मस्त जोक मारा, क्योंकि गुजराती लोग को ना बनाने को बहुत इजी है ऐसा सीन।
Yes.
इट्स वेरी इजी।
Yes.
It's
अगर
so simple. It takes so
बिकॉज
little.
बिकॉज देयर वर्ल्ड इज वेरी स्मॉल, देयर वर्ल्ड इज खुद का, दे आर वेरी सेल्फ
Yeah.
ऑब्सेस्ड पीपल, गुजराती पीपल, देयर मैं करके दिखाएगा ऐसा, वो बोला ऐसे लोग हैं गुजराती लोग। तो मैं अगर दूसरे का जोक मारेगा ना, वो लोग को पता ही नहीं है कि वो लोग का जोक किसी और का है, वो लोग ना बहुत विराट से जोक मारे थे यार ऐसा सीन है वो लोग का। तो then I realized it's called plagiarism, कुछ
Plagiarism.
पता नहीं मालूम मेरे को वर्ड बराबर से, बट वो कुछ होता है वो। तो वो भी क्या, तो I went for some auditions, they said no, I came back very depressed कि यार ये क्या बात हुई यार, ये तो नहीं हो रहा है। Then my friend told me download Snapchat, अपन एक दूसरे को वीडियोस भेजेंगे, फोटोज भेजेंगे। I said okay ठीक है। तो मैंने डाउनलोड किया and I realized कि इसमें 15 seconds you can record and then you can record other 15 seconds and you can save that thing and it becomes a video, you don't have to edit also.
Yeah, that's so true. Back when, I mean, now I don't use
हाँ।
Snapchat, but that was a very interesting feature of it.
So I shot shot by shot and made a video of a minute and started posting this on Snapchat only, and I started getting followers, and BuzzFeed made an article saying that ki top 20 Indians you should follow on Snapchat. My list was, I was 19th with Tanmay Bhatt and Sonakshi Sinha, Kenny Sebastian, with all these people which I looked up to कि fuck ये तो funny लोग हैं। And मेरे को लगा मैं घर पे है ना ऐसा गया उस दिन, मतलब ये सेलिब्रिटी है आराम से बात करने का। And that's how I got into filter copy, because these people just started doing videos and all, and I never saw any video of them, but I had this template like which I used to say to every pages like hey big fan, saw video, it is nice, I also want. मैंने नहीं देखा था, मैंने वो टेम्पलेट यहाँ पे ही चेप दिया है ना। AIB didn't reply, TVF didn't reply, but filter copy read it. मैं बोला ये नहीं छोड़ना है, पढ़ा कैसा इसने, मैं चालू रोज मैसेज करता था हे बिग फैन, मैसेज रिप्लाई प्लीज करके। आफ्टर अ मंथ दे सेड प्लीज डोंट मैसेज अस, प्लीज कम एंड टेक दिस इंटरव्यू ले लो प्लीज, हमको परेशान मत करो। बोला ये तो यही तो चाहिए लाइफ में, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट इनटू फिल्टर कॉपी, एंड वहां से चालू हुआ काम।
That's where I met you.
Yeah, that's where we shot also this Mihir Virani Tulsi kind of a
Yes.
I have a picture of you.
Ekta Kapoor directed your life. Yeah.
I have a picture you तुम्हारा पग दबावे छे।
I am yes, હું તારા પગ દબાવું છું. Like a true good bahu.
Yes, that's what you're doing.
Oh, Viraj, what a
But
fucking
that's,
journey, man.
yeah, I'm just in awe of the fact that that's your like come up.
There's
That's
one more thing
crazy.
which is very interesting, which I never knew, but I just realized also कि they never took me seriously in terms of video. They're like कि अरे इसको नहीं आएगा, तो एक मेरे को कभी randomly एक वीडियो चल रहा है बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड का, तो मेरे को वॉचमैन पीछे बना देंगे कि तू खड़ा रह ऐसा जगह पे, या तो फिर मेरे को शोल्डर के लिए रख देंगे, या तो फिर जस्ट एक डायलॉग बोल दिया रख देंगे ऐसा करके। पर मैं बहुत गुस्से में आ गया, अगर वॉचमैन में वीडियो रहेगा ना तो मुझे वॉचमैन नहीं बनाएंगे पर वैसे रैंडमली वॉचमैन पीछे खड़ा कर देंगे
Extra.
हाँ, तो आई वाज लाइक ये क्या सीन है। तो एक दिन ना मैंने मेरे बिल्डिंग के फ्रेंड्स को, मेरे एरिया वाले सब फंटर लोग को, सब कॉलेज फ्रेंड, मेरे कांटेक्ट गुजराती पैसा नहीं बनेगा पर कांटेक्ट्स बनाएगा।
Yes.
तो मैंने सबको बनाया, सबको बोला जैसे मेरा वीडियो आएगा ना सब लोग को कमेंट करना ईयर फॉर विराज। उस दिन ना वो वीडियो पे 1000 कमेंट थे, 900 कमेंट मेरे पे थे ईयर फॉर विराज। तो फिर लोगों को लगा फक इस पे तो बहुत एंगेजमेंट आ रहा है, ये बंदे को लीड बनाओ। तब से मैं लीड बन गया।
What a guy! This is the real success story. This part of it.
तो मैंने जुगाड़ बनाया।
Like this episode has turned out to be a free lesson for people.
My God, Viraj, you're amazing.
That's how I
This
got
is
into.
wild.
Also, you're talented to back it up, but what a fucking
of
wild
course,
thing
but-
to do. I
but-
love it.
But I figured out कि ऐसे तो नहीं मिलने वाला, because why would they trust me? No,
Correct.
like there's no
correct.
reason, because मैंने कुछ substantial काम किया ही नहीं है, which is true. तो now I said कि I have to give them something कि एक message करे, comment करे, कोई करे कि I love Viraj, cute boy ऐसा करके, तो मैं बोला fuck
I'm
it.
also gonna start telling people to do this on random things to comment. Ritasha is looking so nice. Love you.
That's a way
Ritasha.
to
Are you insane? Your Instagram. Have you seen the comments underneath your
No,
posts?
on
All the same,
YouTube
ma'am,
things.
love you, ma'am, love you,
No,
love you, ma'am,
Instagram is
fire, ma'am,
different.
fire, ma'am,
Fire
hot, ma'am,
ma'am.
love you, ma'am.
आजकल मैं बड़ी hot हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ?
But somewhere you also have inspired me, Natasha, for doing this body positivity thing. I like fuck it. जो है वो है, अभी है तो है, क्या कर सकते हैं? Why would I be embarrassed of something which I have it?
See, I have flab also, but I don't know if y'all can see in this light, but I have a muscle also now, guys. I've been
You
weightlifting.
can see it.
Exactly. There was never muscle before.
So proud of you.
Yeah.
Genuinely.
Thanks. Yeah.
So
I think we should slip into a break now, maybe, and then we'll come
yeah,
back
I
on
was
the
gonna
other
say,
side.
there's
बहुत
a lot
लंबा
to
जाने वाला है.
process. No, because I want to write down all these tips so that I can.
Yeah. Listeners, go away. Take note of what Viraj has just given you this master class for free.
अरे
Getting into any job you want, you have to basically hound them till they get annoyed, and they're like, "Take the job,
And call you for
just
an
leave us
interview.
alone,
Yeah.
but take the job."
दिमाग खराब कर दो. That's what Aditi also, the founder, also told me that कि यार पर तभी तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, पर अभी
Persistence.
perseverance ऐसा बोला था उसने.
Perseverance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your person got you job. I said समझा नहीं, पर अच्छा लगा सुन के.
Wow.
Like that.
Okay, we'll see you on the other side, listeners.
Here for Viraj.
हाँ, बहुत comments आए थे वो time पे. Like it's a legit story. Like that's what
It's too good.
you know. Filter like founders also say this to new joinees के ऐसा करो कुछ भी करो तो लेके आएंगे. मतलब that's how it's become now. But I never
Yeah.
वो टाइम में मैंने सोचा नहीं था ऐसा कि मतलब this is such a thing. अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है fuck मैंने क्या क्या जुगाड़ किए थे इधर आने के लिए, क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. Because I feel you only have to struggle for your thing. No one else will do it. Like if I have a
Absolutely,
problem with Ritasha, I won't like come and talk to Ayushi. Ayushi, देखना क्या कर रही है. I have to talk to Ritasha directly. That's how you are solving an issue.
Wow, that's actually that's more relevant to me today than you realize.
Oh, wow.
That to just directly speak to someone, because I have done a very shitty thing today, which is where I've told someone to speak to someone else about their problem. Meaning, I don't really want to be the asshole who tells that person that you suck. So I've routed it through another person. But now I feel like tomorrow morning I'm going to go ruin that person's happiness directly. Say, you
Because
suck.
that will be embarrassing because वो बोलेगा कि मैंने नहीं बोला, वो तो ये बोल रही थी. That will be very awkward. कि
Yeah,
you
that's
know कि अरे ये मैंने नहीं बोला था, कसम से ऐसा नहीं बोला था, ये तो पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों बोल रही है. But when you say be the bitch, ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है? हाँ है तो चूतिया. ऐसा बोल दो.
That's very true. This person is a Mahachutia. They should know. They should know from me.
I heard that कि you don't abuse and all के and you're very uptight, ऐसा रिताशा बोली थी कि अब गाली नहीं देना. रिताशा ने
इतना भी नहीं. मैंने बोला Ayushi, I don't know how she'll react to like really hardcore Hindi galis.
So I'm
तो I think she
controlling
can still
so
handle. Exactly, you're doing very well.
control कर
And
रहा
you
है.
have one second. You have put this on me, not the fact that IVM says that you shouldn't abuse because they have to
They are
bleep it
going
out.
to bleep it out. They have to bleep it out now. We are organic, raw, and
Yeah.
authentic and real.
Show the person you are. No, मैं गाली देता तो देता है. मम्मी के सामने नहीं देता, पर देता है.
दे दो, जितना भी देना है दे दो. Please,
You know,
they'll beep it.
This is also a big part of my adulthood story which I want to share. कि
Please.
जब पहली बार मेरी मम्मी को मालूम पड़ा मैं गाली देता हूँ ना, my world shattered. Her world shattered. लेकिन मारो छोकरो, पप्पा जो उठाई चे, ऐसा हो गया था. So it was because she was watching. I don't know. She never tells me that she likes my video, but she always watches and shares and all. She does all these things to her family, like a random WhatsApp पे भेजेंगे आज हमारा
Of course,
छोकरो and all these things.
best.
But she'll never tell me कि सारू कहिरू, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे कभी. तो
That's a very, I feel like a classic Indian mom thing.
yeah, she'll never praise me for whatever I'm like. If I tell her कि I got this big opportunity, also very good. सारू कहिरू. Be humble. बस ने जरा ही पॉलिटिक्स में घुस तो नहीं, बहुत खराब लोग का है. ऐसा बोल देते. Because she knows there are a lot of people who follows me also like political માંથી, तो she's like કે આપણે કઈ નથી કરવાનું, આપણે दूर રહેવાનું છે, ऐसा बोल के मेरे को डरा दे. Because I like it नहीं, something is wrong, you have to talk. लेकिन मारे कोई નથી जो तू मान सारू तुझे રહેવા दे भाई, तू રહેવા दे. ऐसा करके तो like
But this is actually a really interesting, I feel, conversation in terms of like that I would have what just to get your take on. But like you're talking about like politics and being scared of saying something or not saying something, or you're not in control of who follows you, right? Like you
Yeah.
can't decide who follows you.
Yeah.
Unfortunately or fortunately, the entire content game creator platform thing is built for mass following. You have to take what you get.
Yeah.
But so do you sometimes get stressed out about things like cancel culture and like by mistake? Because, and I'll ask you why, because your content is so like quick, right? It's like you're thinking it, you thought it was funny, video bana diya, straight. Whereas some people now, you see that content is getting more and more curated to be like it's only for this audience, it's only for this audience, and you have to take a stand, you have to be politically somewhere. This is where I stand on certain issues. What is your opinion? People are asking you, there's an expectation, right? There's an expectation that you are a youth icon, right, to a lot of people and an inspiration to people. So people looking and being like, oh, but like, what is Viraj's take on this? So do you feel like you have to like live up to that, or you've avoided it pretty
very
well
like
so
I
far?
feel very 20% of it, because there's like touchwood, there's never been any hate on my post. Like I've
That's
never
so
received
good.
any
Touch
hate
wood.
messages on my DMs also. There's only one time which I did when I made a video on Race 3 the movie. This is where घर पे आके मार डालूंगा भाई के बारे में. But I never made anything about bhai. Like I never made it. The video was like me watching how I enter the theater while like to watch Race 3.
Race 3,
And
yeah,
then
and
I
how you
get out of it. मैं नीचे रिंगते रिंगते आ रहा हूँ कि मेरे को मैं मर गया, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं दिखने हो रहा था वीडियो. तो मैं ऐसा दरवाजा खुलता है, there's no one, then I camera pans down, there's the guy ऐसा crawling. This is me, and I genuinely felt about it. पर मेरे को बहुत, that's the only time I got a death threat. ऐसे कि घर पे आके देखो मार डालेगा. But I realized जो इंटरनेट पे बोलता है ना, वो असली में कुछ नहीं करता है, कुछ नहीं होता है इसको. मैं fucking अवॉइड करेगा, क्या होगा. घर पे अब तक कोई नहीं आया, मैं कब से खड़ा हूं दरवाजा खोल के, कोई नहीं आया. तो वैसा सीन है.
Bollywood fans are damn
Who's that
hardcore.
guy, Natasha, who got pissed off? Who did you criticize and they got pissed off?
I can't say also, they'll get pissed. They call themselves like Sidians.
Oh yeah, you said something about Sid Malhotra. They got pissed off.
What?
Bollywood fans are crazy, Viraj. वो मतलब टूट पड़ते हैं, उनके fan pages
Yeah.
भी टूट पड़ते हैं.
They're not Bollywood fans, my nanny fans. I make a lot of video with my nanny.
I
Yeah,
love
she's
your
so
nani, I have
cute.
to say.
Poor
And
thing,
you know-
do you harass her?
I do. I harass her, and it's my duty to do it because it's my hawk. And it's the cute thing which I like, for
It's the
example,
cutest thing.
I never call her aap, or I call her tu only.
तू,
Because
of
that's
course.
my nanny. Like tu आया basis मैं कहते हैं ऐसा करके I'll talk to her.
હું પણ દાદી સાથે तू
Yeah, because that's the cutest, like that you've gone into the cutest level of your relationship. That's how we call tu. Okay, so I was talking like recliner पे बैठा था मैं, my legs were ऊपर, and I was like तू आवे जगह नहीं आती ऐसा. I was just talking to her because I like to intrigue, I like to trigger her के मतलब instigate her के trigger her के मतलब ये मस्ती कर. Like see, I eat veg, we all eat vegetarians घर पे. But मैं उसको बोलता हूँ चिकन खाने आવો છું એવું ના ખવાય. She'll talk like this કે चिकन ના હોય, સારું વસ્તુ ના હોય, તને ખબર પડે છે મોઢા આવું હોય, લોકા મરી જાય એવું બધું ऐसा कुछ. So I trigger her. One guy randomly इतना गुस्सा होगा कि अपने नानी से ऐसा कोई बात करता है क्या, तेको संस्कार नहीं है क्या. I said she only gave me sanskar, you shut the fuck up. But
Seriously, like my nanny.
my nanny, she's not offended. What the fuck you are taking this responsibility to getting offended? क्यों क्या कर रहा है? But I avoided. See, I realized that if you avoid, nothing will happen.
Yeah.
Because if you start a conversation with these people,
No need,
you will
no
get
need.
into so much of this loop कि मतलब then you have to reply to everyone कि ऐसा.
I तो block and delete. That's it.
मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं करता है. मैं बोला ठीक है रहो ना मेरे डीएम पे, मेरे को क्या भाड़ा देने का है, तुम रहो, कुछ भी करने का रहो उधर. So, but I also believe that कि if you have an idea about this particular topic 100% कि ये तुमको पता है, because see you want to talk because some रिताशा ने कुछ टॉपिक डाला, मैं बोला फक ये तो गलत है, फिर मैंने भी वो पोस्ट डाल दिया फॉर एग्जांपल. But I have zero idea about this topic. फिर लोग मुझे क्वेश्चन करें कि उसका तो मेरे पास आंसर ही नहीं है. Then why am I doing this? So I have to research about the same thing and एकदम, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन तो किधर से भी आ सकता है ना. Very stupid.
Correct.
मैंने ना केरला फ्लड्स के बारे में डाला था बहुत टाइम पहले, when केरला में फ्लड्स बहुत ज्यादा हो गए थे, तो मैंने डाला था कि यार this is pray for Kerala and ये वो, there are 200 people died for example. तो वो एक बंदा के बोलता है there are 180 people died, why are you saying 200 people, who are you? I said I said ये क्या बात हुई यार. फिर then I realized कि अगर मेरे को research मैंने किया ही नहीं बराबर, then I can't tell these things also out because research मैंने नहीं किया. Then I research and then मैंने डाला. So if you have an idea about everything totally जो भी वो हो रहा है तो ही बात डालो, वरना मत डालो. वर्ल्ड है, दुनिया अपने आप हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज जस्ट इंटरनेट पे कितना 2 मिनट का काम होता है, अपने आप सब भूल जाते हैं. बीच में इतना चल रहा था ब्लॉक अनन्या पांडे, आलिया भट्ट को ब्लॉक कर दो, ये सब ब्लॉक कर दो, सब चल रहा है, अपना काम चल रहा है, वो लोग अपना काम करें, हम अपना काम करें, ये सब नाटक है.
Agreed. Full.
I don't get into all these things. Fuck it, जो होना है करने दो.
I agree. It's not your job to be a news channel.
Yeah, it's not my
or-
job. Why would I do it? I make videos, and also I feel that with you, your audience also grow. So if I'm not putting it
yeah.
out, all these things, people are the same thing. They're also just receiving the video. देखते video खत्म हो जाता है. And also you also have to understand कि मेरे को video डालना है to get these people come back to the normal life also. क्योंकि अगर मैं
Yeah.
I'm in a comedy genre. People
Yeah.
look into videos and comedy things to get out of this frustration of the life.
Exactly.
तो
yeah.
मैं भी वही बात करेगा जो दुनिया, because it is not my forte. तो मैं क्या बात करके करेगा ना. This podcast is not my forte, but you guys are doing it. मैं चालू करेगा तो गंदा ही करने वाला हूँ, मुझे पता है. बोले कुछ भी हो, अगर I learn it, but who am I? I just do my thing and खत्म कर दूंगा ना, वैसा है.
Sick.
Yeah.
I think
ઘણા બધા
that's-
life lessons મળે છે actually.
because I think it's really good. Like you've reached the stage where you're like, I don't feel the need to prove myself or like my intelligence or like my interests to anyone else.
Yeah.
And I think that's my favorite kind of a content creator, because I all like and I'll say why, because as an adult, like as I've been growing up, I'm 29 now, and he made fun of my books, but in general I enjoy reading, having an opinion. I have an opinion on a lot of things. So I'm already to a certain point where like I know what I know about X. Then when you have people like you're saying, like an internet personality who doesn't know, and I'm not saying that I know everything about a topic either, absolutely not. I'm saying it's like when you see people posting for the sake of it, or like reposting because somebody else has done it, or sharing someone's viral thing because you're like, oh, this seems like a very sensational topic or a hurtful topic, or that it's very important that we say something about it, let's put it up immediately. That in fact I think is so like it's very like performative. It's almost insulting. It's like you're doing this because everyone else is doing this. You're doing it for the sake of doing it. Do you actually know? Have you taken the time to figure out what is behind this?
Yeah. And also, do you
There
feel
are
for it?
Yeah, and this is not to take away from the people who genuinely have been working very hard to raise awareness about issues, fight for people who are underprivileged, or who have like really been putting in the work for years, months now, consistently for a cause. This is not about that category of people at all. I'm talking about the fact, like, and specifically people who live this double life. It's like, one second, your previous story was max privilege, max materialism, max capitalism, max like sabka sab is in your post. You have bought everything under the sun. And then the next post is about, oh, please raise money, donate to this, do this. You don't know this is happening. And we're like, have some. I think this is my problem these days. And I feel like I'm going to get cancelled, but I'm nobody on the internet, so I can say this actually. Y'all can't say this. But I feel it's so it's not genuine. It's just not real. And I'd rather somebody not get into it at all.
I to stay very away. Like it's not my job. मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये सब? मतलब मैं कुछ feel ही नहीं करता उस चीज के बारे में, तो why would I? Like for example, like recent COVID time, the second wave when happened, I felt the need कि मेरे पास followers है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ followers का? कुछ नहीं, तो मेरे को I have to put this in some use. कि मतलब now I know कि COVID में बात लगी पड़ी है. If for example, if I just put it out कि if do you have any idea about doctors, there are 500k people following me. कुछ तो निकलेगा अंदर से.
Yeah.
And I for 2 months I stopped everything. Like I stopped taking brands. I stopped taking everything. मैं बोला नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं करेगा. मेरे को खाली इस पे काम करना है, because I can put this thing into use. And मेरे को देख के बाकी लोग भी शायद इसमें आ जाएंगे कि हाँ चलो ये कर रहे हैं. And so you know there were a lot of people who started posting stories. कि मतलब need this किसी को ये पता है ऐसा करके, जो इसको I don't know क्या बोलते थे इसको, वो टाइम पे कुछ बोलते थे, there was some word amplify. Yes, वो बोला amplify this. So you know what did I do? There were a lot of people from my follower and DM list कि मुझे बोलते थे कि I want to help you guys. मैंने ये सारे को बुलाया. I have WhatsApp group of Delhi, I have WhatsApp group of Bangalore, I have WhatsApp group of Bombay, I have WhatsApp group of Kolkata, with the help of Bhumi Pednekar, we together, like अगर कोई भी amplify हम लोग, because we got a lot of requests as an influencer, you got a lot of requests. ये सारे request को हम लेते थे. I have a different plasma group, I have different blood group कि मतलब blood bank के लिए ये चाहिए. So now whenever I have a request, I directly put that to this Delhi के group में, Delhi के लिए चाहिए तो now these volunteers will work on it. And they'll find resources. So मैंने amplify नहीं किया खाली, मैंने उसको actually put into use किया उसमें जाके कि ये करो, because I know कि ये अभी need है. And I became almost a doctor for that particular thing कि मुझे पता है कि रेमडेसिविर इसको नहीं देना है, इसको ये देना है, इसको ये करना है, इसको एक ऑक्सीजन चेक कर ले पहले, ये कर ले, गोटा दो. Because you know when you get COVID, you seem कि अब मैं मरने वाला है. But that's not the case. This is just overthinking of it. That's how hospital were like so much crowded because
everyone was going there. Yeah, of course.
But I got cured घर पे. There are a lot of people who got cured घर पे. But तुमको लगता है सब just because इसके लिए मैं बोला कि तुमको खुद को पहले एग्जामिन करना है, क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता है. मेरे घर पे लोग मुझे पूछने लगे कि how do you do it. But when I got it, मेरी फट गई, which is true कि सब लोग की ऐसे फटती. But you know, I know कि कैसे maintain करना है वो sanity at that particular time. तो जब जरूरत है तब करो, नहीं है तो फिर फालतू में क्यों मेहनत कर. बिकॉज कल उठ के ना आई एम दैट गाय कि मैं सोचता नहीं बोलने से पहले, मैं सिर्फ बोल देता हूं.
That's what I'm asking you, right? You're somebody like that, so the stress that you must work under, I feel.
हाँ, so but the thing is when you say that you are this person or you are that person, I believe in this, and when I in other hand if I start saying and then मैं कुछ भी अगर बोल दूंगा तो बोलेंगे अरे तू तो पहले ऐसा बोलता था, अभी क्या हो गया. तो मैं वो चीज बोलता ही नहीं. मैं फिर अगर गलती होती, because I know कि I know कि what is like I believe in LGBTQ, I know ये सब है, ये सब मेरे को बहुत सारी चीजें पता है इसके बारे में. But I can't make fun of it, which I also know. But I won't be like कि I'm LGBTQ, I support. मैं ये सब नहीं करूंगा. मैं सपोर्ट खुद से करता हूँ, मुझे पता है क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. मैं अगर बोलूंगा कुछ होगा तो फिर दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल. बट ये लोग पीछे से तेरे पे पीछे आएंगे कि यार तू तो ऐसा बोलता था उस दिन, अब क्या हो गया. Because of lack of knowledge of that particular topic, I'll fuck up in that thing. So I just like today also, like there's a lot of thing happening about Pegasus करके जो एक चीज हो रहा है आजकल. I won't post about it, but मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया उसके बारे में कि ये है, ये कैसा होता है, ये है. But if I start posting, I'll get questions.
So that's the thing, right? We also are in that stage of adulthood where we are learning to be more engaged as a person of society, of how do you contribute as a citizen of this society. So this is a journey we are also on. So without really getting anywhere ourselves, it's so ridiculous to have to then be the relayer of information or the sudden person who is to comment on everything or be responsible to educate other people. It's not. We are like we should be educating ourselves first.
Yeah, do that. No, अपने आप कर लो, हो जाएगा. तुम कितना भी बोल दो ना, वो नहीं, तुम सामने वाला नहीं सुधरने वाला है. तुम क्या कर लोगे फिर. Like it's just that you believe when they see you believing in this thing and you're कि मैं ये तो करने वाला हूँ, तो तुम वो सीख के वो करेगा, ये कर रहा है फिर शायद करना पड़ेगा. तुम बोलोगे ना. That's how Indian parents also like ऐसा होता है कि આપણે બહાર ના જવાનું 10 વાગ્યા પછી. I am a curious guy. मैं जाएगा, क्यों नहीं जाना, मेरे को देखना है क्यों नहीं जा सकता. That's how it is. कि अगर तुम बोलेगा तो वो उल्टा ही करेगा सामने वाला बंदा. तुम उसको बोलेगा ना एलजीबीटीक्यू पे भरोसा करो, बोलेगा नहीं करेगा, क्या करोगे तुम लोग. अब ऐसा हो जाता है. बट यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन, तुम खुद के रखो ना, बाकी लोग को बोलने का इतना जरूरत नहीं. वो अपने आप धीरे धीरे सुधर जाएंगे लोग.
That's true. And I also feel like what Ritasha said, the thing of like, it's not your responsibility, unfortunately or fortunately, like whether it's a responsibility of a journalist or the news or the media, whatever.
Education system,
parents, so many things have failed us. But it's not your job. I don't feel it's your job. I think it's like if you choose to do it, like what you chose to do for 2 months, right? Now that actually is so amazing that you did that, but you don't have a responsibility to do that. You have felt that to be like, okay, to make use of what I have is 500k followers. I should put them to work. Do something. You want content? Help me. But like, it's not your job, like to tell me the news. It's not.
Yeah, मेरा काम क्यों, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मतलब it's not. That's what I believe in. I don't know कि कितना सही है कितना गलत.
ये टॉपिक अभी हम लोग ऐसे घिसा पिटा बना चुके हैं. तो I want to talk about something more fun, if that's okay with you.
Relationships के बारे में बात करें क्या?
What is that?
फिर आज लव लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं ना. चल.
It's a task which I didn't know. अब सब ऐसा like starting में तो ऐसा fuck यार कितनी मस्त है.
कितनी मस्त है. I just want a boy to look at me and say कितनी मस्त है.
But now, now it's a responsibility in terms of what to say, how much to say, when to say, because the thing is her parents know, my parents know that वैसा है, and वहां पे कैसे बैठना, पहले तो मैं ऐसे बैठता था जैसे मेरा बाप का घर है, अभी तो ना टू बिहेव कि अरे ऐसा बैठते, ऐसा नहीं बैठते, ऐसा करते, आई कैन बी लाइक चल मस्ती नहीं कर, मैं चाहता आई कैन डू दिस बिकॉज ये दूर रहने का ऐसा, बिकॉज शादी नहीं हुआ है ना हम लोग का तो वैसा सीन है. So
But
I'm
you've
how
been
long have
dating
you
her
all
for a
been
long
together?
time? The same question.
I know her since 7 years, but I've been dating since 1.5 years.
But
Oh,
अबे
sweet.
serious छे.
Yeah, because I don't know, but I don't want to be like that कि अरे only for hookups के ये वो, मेरे को नहीं जमता वो सब culture, मेरे को लगता है
Aw,
because
Sweet
Viraj
Gujarati
wants
boy.
love.
अरे यार मतलब I don't get the vibe only उसमें, मतलब because see अभी भी I don't know आयुषी इतना, but we spoke, अभी कितना 1 घंटा हो गया, आधा घंटा हो गया बात कर रहे हैं,
पौना
तो
घंटा.
मैं सोचो कि अगर किसी के साथ लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है तो मैं कितना इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व हो जाता फिर चीजें, मैं बहुत ऐसा अलग आदमी है कि मैं बोला यार उसको कैसा लगेगा, ये क्या होता. सो द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट टू थाईलैंड स्ट्रिप क्लब में, मैं ऐसा था, बोला यार ये क्या हो रहा है यार इसको बोल यहाँ से जा इधर से, ऐसा हो गया था. सो बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, आई फील लाइक वेरी वियर्ड, आई सेड कि नहीं
No,
यार
but
ये
I
गलत
agree
है,
with you.
बट आई वेंट फॉर अ बैचलर ट्रिप, तो वो लोग को बहुत मजा आ रहा है मेरे फ्रेंड्स को, पर मैं बोला यार ये गलत है. When they went for a massage also, I was outside cutting my nails, pedicure, manicure करवा रहा हूँ बाहर, बोला यार मेरे को नहीं करने का ये सब, मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है. So I'm a very emotional
That's
person in general.
good. That's good. That's
As
good.
a man, you are in touch with your feelings, Viraj. You cry and you are
I
expressive. And
love
you
it.
communicate with your partner. All your.
Yeah.
I mean,
And like I've like this is the first time I've crossed the relationship phase more than 2 months. ऐसा है कि मतलब this is the
oh,
first
is
time.
this your longest
Yeah, this is my
relationship?
first ऐसा you can say relationship वैसा, because we've
Proper.
gone through rough times, bad times, good times ऐसा करके, now the time is के fuck it जो होगा वो होगा, ऐसा वाला time है. Now
Best
you know
time.
we've come to right time that now it's like friendship, relationship, girlfriend, lovey-dovey and friendship. This I'm in this friendship level के मतलब
That's
now,
amazing. That's the
That's
goal,
the best.
actually.
yeah, now I don't feel like कि इसने 2 घंटे से फोन क्यों नहीं किया. Now I don't feel like that way. I like चलो मैं खुद कर लेता हूँ कॉल, उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या, मैं कॉल कर लूंगा सामने से. आई एम इन दैट फेज नाउ, बिकॉज पहले तो ऐसा लगता कि देखता हूँ उसका मैसेज आता है कि नहीं, बिकॉज सी आई हैव नेवर बीन इनटू, स्कूल में रिलेशनशिप में नहीं था मैं, कॉलेज में रिलेशनशिप में नहीं था, ऐसा था.
मैं भी नहीं.
हाँ, सो यू नो आई हैव नेवर गॉन इनटू दैट चीजी लव आल्सो. आई वांट टू डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स कि मुझे क्यों मैसेज नहीं किया 1 घंटे से, ऐसा मैं सब वो चीज से कर चुका. एंड देन
लव का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए अभी ना.
हाँ वो चाहिए
I
थोड़ा ना,
understand.
थोड़ा तो चाहिए कि ऐसा मतलब कि, तो आई लाइक इनिशियली आई वाज लाइक कि ये मेरे को क्यों हाँ बोल रही है यार, ऐसा क्यों हो गया. सो आई गो थ्रू इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम आल्सो समटाइम्स
Mm-hmm.
कि मतलब ये मेरे साथ थोड़ी होगा, इतनी हॉट है यार ये, मेरे को क्या बोल रही है, मैं कौन सा ऋतिक है, ऐसा वाला सीन है मेरा. तो आई वाज ओवर,
Ritik से कुछ problem है, I think.
जो अच्छा दिखता है वो ऋतिक, ऐसा दिस इज मोरली
Ritik to
कांदिनी लैंग्वेज.
benchmark. Yeah.
कांदिनी लैंग्वेज. सो आई वाज लाइक कि मेरे को क्या बोल रही है. सो आई वाज ओवरथिंकिंग अ लॉट. तू सच में हाँ बोल रही है, ऐसा हो गया था. लाइक ऐसा था मेरा सीन फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम, फॉर लाइक 6 months ऐसा था मेरा. देन आई
You
लाइक
just couldn't believe that she was into you for
या आई
6
वाज लाइक
months.
शी इज जोकिंग, लाइक ये कुछ अलग कर रही है इसको, मे बी बिकॉज़ शी वाज प्लानिंग टू गो टू यूएसए. तो फॉर हर लाइक शी बेक्स आल्सो, तो उसको कुलिनरी सब सी क्या बोलने का पता नहीं, कुछ तो सीएफए करके कुछ ना, बहुत बड़ा
Right,
institute.
yeah. Culinary food, something,
हाँ हाँ,
right?
या
Yeah.
सीआईए, कुलिनरी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ अमेरिका.
America, yeah.
तो शी वांटेड टू गो देयर. ऐसा ये तो 6-7 महीने का उसको ऐसा टाइम पास करना लगा, तो ये क्यों, बट शी इज लाइक शी केम टू मीट माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो, लाइक कि ये इतना क्यों कर रही है यार, फिर मैं क्या जवाब देगा कि तो जती रही ऐसा क्या बोलेगा मैं. बट शी वाज वेरी स्वीट एंड आई कुडंट बिलीव दैट थिंग. नाउ आई हैव बिलीव्ड, सो लाइक अभी तो मैं फुल शेयर है, अभी तो मस्त चिल हो रहा है, मतलब लाइफ ऐसा है.
So she went, she studied?
नो शी इज हियर ओनली नाउ
Oh, okay.
Because of pandemic.
बिकॉज़ ऑफ पैंडेमिक. यस,
Yeah, fair enough.
बट
Oh
इट्स
man,
गुड टू
how
बी.
does it feel being in love, Viraj?
Honestly, when you become friends in relationship, it's the best thing because you can make fun of it. You can for me it's just that you can be as free as you can, as like I love my boys group also. Like I want to be that कि मेरे को बस अभी मेरे को boys group चाहिए थोड़ा time. I am that person कि बोला मेरे को मेरे लौंडे लोग चाहिए थोड़े time के लिए. But that is with Palak also.
Right.
That is with her also कि मतलब मेरे को प्रॉब्लम, because she's also like fun only. बोला चल ठीक है, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पालक होगी तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बाकी लोग हैं मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि why are you watching this, ये क्यों कर रहे हो, मैं यार ये नहीं कर रहा मेरे को. So I love the energy which I'm sharing with her. कि मतलब I can be in the same room and I can share silence also with her, which is the best part.
This
Yeah.
is so sweet. You should. It's just, I think it's so refreshing to hear, and I'm just gonna say it's just refreshing to hear a guy be so open about like that's how I feel, and this is the best part of your relationship. It's so nice. We don't get a lot of guys on our show. In case you didn't notice
Hmm.
that, not a lot
That's
of guys
true.
come to talk to us.
I
Um,
तो love talking. You can call me anytime. कभी कोई जगह नहीं रहेगा ना तो मेरे को बुला लेना, मैं आ जाएगा. मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है बात करने को.
this is great. This episode is great
Done.
because Viraj has only given the most
I
chit chat.
love talking. It's because see, a lot of people don't like, you know, the first perception of me is like कि ये funny होगा, ये ऐसा बात करेगा, इसको समझ में नहीं आता होगा, चला जाएगा. But there's so much of talking which is like, you know, they don't take me as that seriously in real life कि मतलब इससे क्या बात करना है. ऐसा जब आता है ना, फिर I lose interest also in talking. Now when you're listening to me, I like fuck, ये तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
I
वैसा-
know we're actually listening. I
I think
care
I'm
about
only
everything
talking.
you're saying.
Before we started recording, you were telling me though that you kind of changed in the pandemic as a person.
Yeah.
Do you wanna?
I changed majorly because see, I started living with my parents that time. Like I used to live also, but I used to come only to stay. रात को ऐसा सोने के लिए आया, सुबह
Right.
निकल
Yeah,
गया.
yeah.
But I never knew कि 11 बजे के बाद मेरी मम्मी क्या करती है, मेरी नानी क्या करती है. So my dad is paralyzed, so he's not working anymore, and so I'm the only earner. So
Okay.
I had to live with my dad, and we live in a 1 BHK घर पे. So I have to live with a dad who's occupied the whole bedroom, and then my nanny is outside. My mommy is sometimes working in kitchen, or maybe my mom was a teacher also, so she's sometimes teaching. Imagine my mom's teacher, मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता English में, so which is a very difficult thing. We'll talk about it later उसके बारे में, because it's embarrassing. My mom is very embarrassed of me talking like this, and she's like अभी इतना waste काढ़ी आवे छे आपलो पोताનું ने. So she's like very weird, but that's how it is. So 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 it's a, I mean, and हम लोग 5 लोग हैं एक घर में 1 BHK के साथ. So it's a difficult thing to stay in a, maybe it's a privilege thing कि मतलब शायद ऐसा भी हो सकता है, लोग बोलेंगे तेरे पास 1 BHK तो है, पर मेरे लिए ये है, मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम है, because I have a girlfriend. I have to talk sometimes, you know, ऐसा होता है. It's very difficult कि मैं
Privacy. It's the
कुछ
thing. It
नहीं
comes
है.
down to privacy, which is what India lacks
हाँ,
fundamentally.
कुछ नहीं है घर पे. मतलब if I want to talk, because sometimes she is in a very fun mood. I can't do masti in front of my nanny sitting and my mom is sitting up and masti. I can't
Correct.
do this. Like I'll
Flirt
talk to you
करे
later.
छे, dirty talk करे छे.
So you
ना
can't
થાય.
do, there are so many things. So I realized कि कैसे I have to live with them. I have to make videos also. I have to, like, because गाड़ी तो चलनी चाहिए ना, काम pandemic में बंद थोड़ी हो जाएगा. Because that's the time I got a lot of work, because everyone was busy
Yeah.
on phone.
Yes,
Everyone was
yes.
so they were all on phone. So I got a lot of work. I got a lot of ideas, and that was the time I had to grow. कि मतलब
Yeah.
अभी तो टाइम है करने का काम. So I used to shoot every day. I used to tell my mom कि अभी थोड़ा मिक्सर रुक जाओ. I used to tell my नानी कि भाई अभी भजन बाद में सुनेंगे. So it was difficult, very difficult for me. And my dad was in Africa for 10 years. So when he came back, उनको पता नहीं WhatsApp का क्या सीन है, because वहां पे he never used all these things. So when he came back, I grew up majorly. 10 साल में बड़ा हो गया ना. तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो मेरे को पता, जो बिकॉज हमेशा ईगो क्रैश होगा हमेशा. सो ऐसा नहीं होता. आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लेनिंग थिंग्स टू हिम, एंड वो सारी चीजें थी व्हिच लाइक वीडियो में क्यों बना रहा हूँ मैं, क्यों ऐसा, बिकॉज आई डोंट गेट, लाइक माय मॉम नेवर एक्ट्स, तो आई हैव टू बी माय मॉम. सो मैं दुपट्टा पहन के घूमता हूँ घर पे ऐसा. तो पापा को लगता है कि आ शू करे छा બધું तू, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. सो आई लर्नड how to manage my family members, and when you do that, you've like touch adulthood. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि अभी तुमने दुनिया जीत लिया है. Because my brother has never, अब तक उसने टच नहीं किया है. उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मम्मी के केवू लक से खराब लक से हम खोटू थोड़ी कह सको. I said you have to say lie. Sometimes you have to lie so that you save from a lot of things. Like for example, if my mom and I argue a lot कि ये गलत है. For example, right now if I want to shoot a video, I know I have to pay to my cameraman. I know I have to pay to my editor. I have to shoot. She's like, तने इतना रुपया मरे थे, तारे के मापत बताने. So I started, I know what to say to mom. To till what level you have to say to the mom. Till what level you have to say to नारे कितना बात करना है. My brother is still very naive with these things.
He's younger than you?
Yeah.
He's young. He's 4 years younger to me. So he's like,
Oh, wow, okay.
मम्मी ने खराब लक से तो केवू लक से मम्मी. No, for example, my mom will be like, when I ask her, can I go out sometimes? तो she like कि सारे जे करूँ कर. That's how she say yes to me.
Right.
And I know she's not when she's mad at me I know she's fine. But when she's nice like कह रहा है उससे बेटा I like fuck ये तो घर पे मार लगने वाली है. You know that's how I know I can gauge that thing. My brother is like कि मम्मी ने ना बोला कैसा लगेगा मैं जाऊँ के ना जाऊँ मम्मी को बुरा लग जाएगा. I said no bro you have to go. That's how you learn.
Live your life. Yeah.
That's how you have to like gauge your thing with your parents. And वो चीज मैं सीख गया ये 2 साल में. That's how I become a person to manipulate things in terms of people, in terms of life, in terms of a lot of things around me in this way.
Manage is the right word, I feel, because that's what I've also understood with this adulting journey. You have to manage all your
Yeah.
relationships.
Yeah, you have to
It's
manage
like
it.
it's like that soundboard और जिसका like equalizer ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है और तुम्हें बस adjust करते रहना
हाँ,
पड़ता है
ये
दिन
सही है,
भर.
ये सही है, ये सही है.
That's so good. That's so good. That's exactly what it is.
And other thing is now my mother has been I think thoda she started fearing or I don't know what ki I don't know what the word but now she thinks कि अभी मेरे को शादी करना है. Now there will be another lady in the house. Now उसका अलग सीन होगा कि अभी how has like उसको कैसे behave करना है. Like अभी how Palak will behave this if we get married ऐसा वाला सीन है. But in case कि कैसे होगा क्या बात करेंगे. Now she's like कि अगर तू हमारी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करे तो ई के इतना कर से. And all these things have started happening in my house. I'm like, bro, ये तो अलग सीन होने वाला है. Because
That's भारी.
I will never leave my like parents' house. I will always stick with my parents because my mom we live in my nanny's house and she's never lived in her own house. I want to buy a house for my mom and my dad was away for 10 years. And now if I also move out, she'll be like, fuck, all my life I worked for my kids and now suddenly he'll also go. So I will never do that. I will like it's a thing I will never ever leave my parents. But like I'll have a room different because 1 BHK mein ho gaya mera, but I will never
Yeah.
leave that. So and it's a pressure. Imagine it's an Indian man pressure ki how do I deal with this thing now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because my mom's best friends उनके बेटे की शादी हो गई और वहां पे वो बहुत बिचिंग हो रहा है वहां पे कि इसने ऐसा नहीं किया उसने ये नहीं किया फिर the lady talk जो बहू है वो बात करती मम्मी से because my mom is best friend with everyone because she wants to be that person कि मैं अच्छा रहना चाहिए लाइफ में बाकी लोग चूती है. So it's very weird कि मैं and sometimes when they talk about कि for example if my mom's best friend की बेटी कोई लड़की है तो उसको अगर बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ना ससुराल में फॉर एग्जांपल देन आई फील लाइक कि देखा अपने को ऐसा अच्छे से रहने का ऐसा मतलब हाउ यू कोई तुम्हारे बारे में भी बात कर सकता है समझ रहे हो ना वैसे. सो इट्स वेरी गुड लाइक आई एम लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन माय वे वैसे
We definitely
about relationships.
we talked about this earlier in the pandemic. I think like midway through last year, where we said we've discovered our parents as actual adults of their own capacity, as opposed to just being like a mom and a dad. Like we've always, like you said, right? You leave the house in the morning and you come back at night. I don't really know what happens in the house between like 10 o'clock and 7 o'clock when you're gone, like that 9:30.
Yeah.
But what we realize living at home is like, oh my God, you're rediscovering that there is a person who has likes, dislikes, interests, a personality of their own. That's not just about being your mother or being your father. There's
Yeah.
more to them
Yeah.
than just that.
Yeah.
Like you're saying, like your mom wants to be the person that everyone talks to so that she's in the good books. And like that's part of her personality. Like my mom is someone who likes to have everyone home at the end of the day at dinner table. Like you can't miss dinner during the week. You have to be at home. And I used to be like, it's a pandemic. We don't go anywhere. We see each other all fucking day. Like we don't have to eat this meal together. We eat lunch together now. But it's a thing of like, no, you've been working, dad's working, everyone's separate. At dinner, you have to sit, you have to talk about your day, you have to enjoy. And you're like, oh, it's not that she's being a rule thing. This is just something that she enjoys as part of who she is.
Yeah.
And that was a lot, like you're saying, managing. And I also think I've learned who my parents are in the last 2.5 years, more than just like a mom and dad.
Like I also realized ki how do they talk to each other, what do they do.
Yeah, because
Like-
you also, now that you also have experienced love and romance as a young adult, you start seeing their relationship also with a different lens.
And I think this year you got more involved in your parents' relationship than ever before, because you were there. Like you were forced to see it. And sometimes when they're fighting, then like you said that. And I'm like, actually, the thing is, you didn't say that. I was there. I'm so sorry. Just want to let you know. And then why you get fucked from one side or the other. But it's interesting. It's cool to see that the family dynamic changed, but also didn't change. But it was just like it's new.
Yeah, and you've been shooting always. Like I've been on sets before 2019 or to pandemic, and I've been like, you have an habit के आज कोई पानी पिला देगा तो भी मजा आ जाएगा. वैसा वाला सीन होता है sometimes घर पे. So, इतना basic. So when I was not, this is my next. This is my next video also, which I'll make it tonight or tomorrow. So the thing is कि before me started earning, when I said घर पे कि मम्मी पानी आप तो इतना ही basic. એટલે કે પેલા કમાવા જા પછી ઓર્ડર આપ આ બધું શું છે પાણી આ પોતે લઈ લેવાનું પાણી. This is what my mom said. Now when I'm earning, when I say कि please पानी दे, हाँ अब तू ऑर्डर देगा, अब तू कमा रहा है. Well, fuck, I can't get water. You are in a fucking kitchen, please पानी दे दे, easy है, चलेगा. इतना बोलने का जरूरत है तो बोल दे कि आके ले ले, इतना बोलने का क्या जरूरत था. Same thing. I'm not, इतना basic है. But that's how also I've learned कि कैसे पूछना है चीजों को. So I've learned a way that कि तने શું લાગે છે આ કરાય, and then she like कि हाँ कर सकते नहीं कर सकते, दे करना है ये नहीं करना है. Because if you say as a child, if you say to your mom कि मैं करने वाला हूँ, she like एक बार भी पूछा नहीं, बस खत्म हो गया relation.
So sweet.
And then I'll be like कि मैं पूछता हूँ ऐसे कि what do you think, is this true, is this the right way to do it. Then she'll like कि you can talk to someone elder to in the family जिसको इसका knowledge होगा, you can go that way. I put this thing के what do you think, should I talk to this chacha of ours? तो like हाँ family में बात कर, समझ कैसे से होता है. Then she'll agree to whatever they say. But if I say like तू smart कैसे हो गया भाई, तू नहीं, she'll believe on WhatsApp, but she'll not believe in me.
She'll believe on WhatsApp.
No, but it's true. Oh, you started earning, so you think you can say whatever you want, or that you, and it's like.
But hello, as adults, can we please talk about the financial independence that brings with it the no fucks attitude also slightly?
Of course, it brings that thing, and I can admit that once you've started earning a certain salary and above, when you feel independent, you also become a bit of a dick, where you're like, oh, I don't need
Yeah,
this
because
attitude
you
from
finally
you.
feel like I'm not taking a penny from you.
So what do you need? I don't need to ask you. It's like, I'm not getting like Nykaa packages. Please sponsor us. But if they come to the house, I am 29 years old, and if a Nykaa packages come and the intercom comes that, oh, packages niche, and you have to go and get them because they don't, whatever. I'm like, niche rakho. When I leave the house, I'll take them with me and I'll go because I know if it comes up, she'll be like, again you ordered? What have you ordered? What do you keep spending your money? I'm like, but if I want to order this, and now I've just realized the managing that I've done is I'll order to my office because office has opened. Thank God. All my packages come to the office now, or I leave them down. So I like the service in my building, the rule of not giving packages up anymore. Leave it down. It's okay.
I've lived this life since the childhood. I think कि घर पे मेहमान आएंगे तभी अच्छे कटलरीज बाहर आएंगे. AC तभी चालू होगा जब तुमको घर पे मेहमान. The first time when we installed AC घर पे, the first time it was a प्रसंग. घरे थे ना, ऐसा लगा था कि मतलब अरे 9 बजे सब खाने पे बैठेंगे, AC चालू होगा आधे घंटे के लिए, जैसे खाना खत्म AC बंद, वो भी 24 पे, वो भी अगर समर टाइम नहीं है तो fuck you. वैसा શું જરૂર છે એટલી ઠંડી છે બહાર, વૈसा सीन है. And it's happening till date. Like I like now in this office it's 24-hour AC. In my car it's 24-hour AC. So I feel hot anyway now. घर पे अगर पंखा चला तो मेरे को गर्मी लगने लगा. It's my body type now. Like I feel hot.
Yeah.
I am still not allowed to use AC घर पे. Even if I earn 1 crore rupees, मेरे घर पे बोला कि क्या जरूर बचा के रखने का. My nanny still gives me lessons कि हूँ छे ने बस में जाती थी बस में. You want to travel in cars and घरे रिक्शा नीचे उभी होई તમારી માટે and all these things. But still till that. And also I'm not allowed, अभी भी I'm not allowed to take my salary. गोभी अगर समझो मेरे को 100 रुपया आया for example, I'll give 90 rupees to घर पे. And then I have to ask my mummy please मेरे को थोड़ा अभी भी also till date I have to give money घर पे because that's how they've told me कि देखो पैसा यूज करने नहीं आता है, तू दे दे पैसा. Because in the videos I have to change. एक कपड़ा कितनी बार यूज करेगा ना आदमी. You have,
Yeah.
अगर मेरे को कुछ वीडियो बनाना है, क्योंकि 2-3 चीजें अलग वीडियो बनानी है, इट्स अ ब्रांडेड वीडियो, पेरेंट इज पेइंग मी, आई वांट टू गो शॉप, आई गो शॉप, मैं कुछ ना कुछ करूंगा, लेके आखो दिवस 20,000 रुपये का कपड़ा ले तू तने तो काही छेद नहीं, ऐसा सब होता है मेरे घर पे. एंड देन व्हेन शी रेड अ कमेंट के यू हैव ओनली वन शर्ट और व्हाट, then she felt so bad that please beta tu थोड़ा शॉपिंग करेगा काय वांदो नहीं, because I never gave a fuck, but when the character demands you have to do it. मतलब अगर डैड का कैरेक्टर तो उसको अलग कैरेक्टर देना चाहिए, मॉम का अलग कैरेक्टर है, आई एम अ चाइल्ड, मैं अलग से कैरेक्टर, बट शी नेवर अंडरस्टैंड, शी लाइक के बस खर्चो कर रहा कुत्ता रखो जस्ट पैसा नो, बट शी अंडरस्टैंड कि दिस इज द डिमांड ऑफ इट एंड आई एम इन दैट स्टेट, आई कैन बाय. ऐसा नहीं
Yeah.
कि मैं डेंट घर पे घर का सोना बेचना पड़ रहा है कि मेरे को एक शर्ट दे दो, घर पे है ना, पैसा आ रहा है, क्यों नहीं खरीदने का, मेरे को खरीदने का है, बट आई कैन स्टिल लाइक टुडे आल्सो इफ आई वांट टू बाय, आई विल थिंक अबाउट व्हाट विल माय मॉम थिंक व्हेन आई टेक दिस Zara H&M bag घर पे.
No. Viraj, you have to stand up to your mom.
No, what you have to do is you have to sit in the car, take out all the tags,
Yeah.
put in your backpack, then go up. Just put it into your cupboard.
और maybe
And then that's
do like a Joey thing कि सब पहन के बोला कि ये तो मेरा रोज का है.
this is I always had this. My dad did the opposite, where like I think after my first job, when I started getting like salary every month, and the first 2 months he didn't say anything. I was like, oh, I'm spending, because it's your first job, you got so excited to have your own money. After that, he was like, okay, so you've enjoyed 2 months now. 60% of your salary has to go into mutual funds and savings. I was like, why? He's saying, because you're spending too much. I was like, where is my money? I'm working for it. He's saying, no. So even till date, if there is a month where I have had a lot of packages come, okay, I can't help it. I can't go shop anymore. The
She
shop
has
has
an
to come to
online
me.
shopping problem.
No, that's not true. I do a lot of returns also. Every time, like 1 month where a lot of boxes have come, he'll be like, so clearly you have too much time and money on your hands. Why don't you just put some more money into another mutual fund? Why don't you put some more money into... And this is why it's like, while you have good intention, I have to move. I just have to move. I can't do this anymore.
Ayushi
But
wants to.
I've managed this thing कि मतलब मैं बोला अभी मैं ऐसा बोल देता हूँ कि वीडियो का काम है, ये जरूरी है.
Yeah,
Fair
I don't
enough.
have that. I don't have that.
I think you also have it, but you have to find it. There will be something loophole, कुछ तो होगा जो
Loophole ढूंढते हैं आयुषी.
मेरा तो loophole मैंने ढूंढा कि वीडियो का इसमें बीच में नहीं आने का, ये मेरा काम है. अगर तुमको कल 1 लाख रुपए चाहिए ना, तो फिर मेरे को कर रहे दो मेरा काम.
I think that way I'm quite blessed. My parents are really like, you make your money, you save it, you spend it, you enjoy it all life. Do whatever you want.
Very unconventional but cool.
Yeah, good.
हाँ
good,
नहीं,
good.
मेरे पेरेंट्स थोड़े अजीब है. हम नॉर्मल इंडियन फैमिली तो है ही नहीं.
But
समाज हम चारों को देख के बोलेगा छी, नॉन संस्कारी all 4 of them.
like मेरे को तो ऐसा बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, what like money and सब घर पे देना पड़ता है and all this thing, because see but I later realized one thing that कि see my brother is a professional footballer, like he's trying to like in India sports is a very bitch, like it's a bitch, like if you don't get anything तो तुम्हारा life fuck है and you keep trying.
Yeah.
So I told my mom that because see this is the time you can go either good way or a bad way. If you don't choose your words wisely to these people, you'll be like उसको problem हो जाएगा. If you like कि कब कमा रहे हो बेटा, ऐसा अगर in case भी बोल दिया तो he'll be thrashed,
triggered. Yeah.
and triggered कि मतलब ये नहीं करना चाहिए था वैसा वाला चीज. तो I have to maintain that balance also, bit like कि मम्मी बराबर से बोले, because see she's right to some extent, because she's also worried about his future.
Yeah, of course.
कि क्या भी है. And my brother is also like, I understand because I've also followed my passion and there's something happening in my life, but उसको शायद अब तक नहीं आया है. तो I understand कि उसका क्या problem है, क्या चल रहा है. So now at this age, he's 24, he's not earning well, so he can't ask lot of things के मतलब because he feels embarrassed कि मतलब मैं कैसे बोलूँ ये चीज को कि मेरे को क्या चाहिए, मेरे को for example मेरे को football studs चाहिए for example. How will he say these things to घर पे ऐसा था. तो आया कि मैं तेरा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा, तो I am doing this thing also. So my mom is like तू तेरे भाई को बिगाड़ रहा है, तेको प्रॉब्लम है उसका है, तेको नहीं होता है वो. So this is also a thing which is happening, but I understand what is he going through, I understand what is mom going through. तो ये बीच में जो चीज है ना, I feel like a middle child कि मतलब यहाँ से भी मार पड़ रही, यहाँ से भी मार पड़ रही, and I know कि then I realize कि मैं कितना पैसा उड़ा रहा हूँ, because now I understand कि ये गलत कर रहा है, जो मेरा भाई कर रहा है थोड़ा गलत कर रहा है, but I can't say things to him because right now it's not the right time to do it. But now I know कि what is my mom was saying back then कि ये पैसा क्यों कर रहा है इतना important है life में ये weird चीज है life में adulting ये मेरा अलग
But
adulting
this
चल
is
रहा
all adulting. Like this is like your
Yeah.
realization. This is all part of like
Yeah.
shit. And this happens sometimes overnight where you're like, yesterday I was a kid, and like this month I've decided like and in your house for you,
I'm-
you're the breadwinner. Like you
I'm
become
I'm practically a father of my brother.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
I have
that's
to
huge.
I have to do, and also I am very emotional towards my brother. Like मैं ना इतना ऐसा है कि इसको खांसी आया ना मैं उसको हॉस्पिटल लेके जाएगा सीधा, because I don't want him to feel anyway कि अरे मेरे को कोई क्या मालूम कैसा होगा बोलना चाहिए, because I know there's no one saying no to him in this family. Because ऐसे हरामी लोग नहीं है घर पे, मतलब अच्छे लोग ही है, पर बोलना चाहिए तो वैसा सीन है, but he's not saying, he feels like कि कैसे बोलूं, will they take it, ऐसा सीन है. So I understand that problem. तो वो अलग चीज मैं सीख रहा हूँ आजकल कि कैसे पापा बनने का है, कैसे उसको बिगाड़ना भी है, पर कैसे उसको बोलना भी है, कैसे करना है. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ मी बीइंग मैच्योर. ऐसा वाला सीन है व्हिच आई नेवर
That's it. Yeah, you've grown up and you are growing up every day with every experience.
या.
You're more of an adult than me for sure. So thank you for coming and telling me how to become a better adult.
I don't know, but but also in terms of perception लोगों को लगता है कि मैं बहुत बकचोद आदमी है, which I am,
Which
लोगों
you
को लगता
also are, but these are the responsibilities and the reality of life.
Yeah.
So this is the hustle which is just gonna be
and
what
my
it-
life revolves around watching serious stuff and watching to these things, and when my family hustle and all these things, because my mom has hustled a lot. Like I know she's hustled so much because my dad is away. यहाँ पे मेरे को पालना बहुत बड़ा बात है. And there were times that we only ate सेव कुरमुरा घर पे because there was no money at all. And now when I see a car नीचे खड़ा है, तो my mom, we've gone through a lot of things ऐसा करके. तो I know कि how has this money come. एंड कभी कभी उड़ाता ना, मैं बहुत गुस्से में उड़ाता हूँ कि लाइक फक यू, आई कैन टेक दिस थिंग नाउ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू कि घर पे पैसा ऐसा मेरे को सुनने आता ना, मैं और देयर इज नथिंग टिल डेट कि मैं ऐसा ना बोलूं कि मैं 5,000 के लिए थोड़ी काम करेगा, मैं बड़ा आदमी, मैं 2,000 में भी करेगा, बिकॉज मनी इज मनी. मैं फ्री, मैं खाली बैठा है ना, मैं क्या कर रहा है, 2,000 पैसा मिल रहा है, ले लो ना. आई नेवर वैल्यू माई वर्क. आई नेवर डू दैट कि मतलब मेरे को यार 2,000 थोड़ी काम करेगा, मैं कितना बड़ा होगा, ऐसा नहीं करेगा, मैं 500 रुपए में भी करेगा. क्योंकि imagine sitting and just scrolling your Instagram, you're getting 500 rupees. मैं करेगा ना वो काम, क्यों नहीं करेगा मैं?
I tell Natasha
value-
all the time. But I can't understand how, like, I still grapple with that idea of like, just for one post and one reel, you'll get this much money. I'm always like, wow, how are you gonna?
people are making a lot of money on Instagram, which
mad
is
level.
great. And
But
I'm
it's
so
insane.
happy for
I'm so happy
this job
that
to
you've
exist.
yeah, exactly, that
Yeah.
you guys have you've been able to turn it into that. But I think for me, always what shocks me, and I've said it so many times on the show, Ritasha knows it, it's like when you don't work in this content creator space, like this podcast for me is just, it's like for fun, it's a passion thing. Like I get to chat with Tash for an hour every week. It's too much fun. I get to meet people like you. It's amazing. But otherwise, I have a very a very corporate job. Like I go to office, I have, and so when you see people and like the level that they like, the commute that people come from, what they do every single day, clock in, clock out, and the money that they make, and then each year they work towards an increment of 10%, 12%, 13% maximum if you did really well. And then sometimes I see, and I'm not to make you all feel bad about it, because like you're saying, you've had a struggle, you've had your come up, and you deserve your success, as does Tash. But sometimes when you see the stuff that gets offered on Instagram, they're like, yeah, it's like 1.5. I'm like, what, 1.5 lakhs? Like for a post? With
But that's less. No, Ayushi, that's the thing. People are making tons of money.
I agree, but
1.5
do
is
you
the starting
understand for
amount.
me? Do you? That's
No,
insane.
brands, this is not how much money I'm making, though I would love to make more money. Just putting that out there also before listeners think I am rolling in cash. I'm not.
No, I know. And I'm not saying there's no work that goes into it. Yesterday, I tried to make a reel with Anissa, and in 13 seconds, I got irritated. I threw the phone. I told her, I said, you do it. I can't do this.
But it's
I don't
also,
know.
but I'll tell you the money I feel, you as a content creator, which I'm talking, I go through a lot of things for this. Like,
Yeah. I know.
I'm not saying that you're wrong. I understand
Yeah.
because I'm the only Instagram person in my friends group.
हाँ.
Yeah.
you know, बाकी सब corporate life कर रहे हैं. If I
So they
want
must
to,
also feel what I'm
they
saying,
feel like कि
right?
ये क्या कर रही है, ऐसा क्या ऐसा वीडियो कैमरा लेके घूमता रहता है. When I went to Sri Lanka, I thought कि मैं vlog करेगा, मैं पूरा दिन vlog
Yeah.
करेगा, लोगों को मस्ती करेगा. They were so, मैं दूसरे दिन बंद कर दिया because मैं, you know, vlogging is always कैमरा हाथ में, कुछ ना कुछ करना पकड़ना है. अगर कुछ funny हुआ है तो बाय वापस करके देना प्लीज. अच्छा
Yeah, that's too much.
it's too much. And for them, if you don't have content creators as your friend in your group, you are
It's
fucked
tough.
because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
don't know acting, they don't know how to talk. ऐसा अगर ऐसा करने तो कैमरा इधर है, अगर ये कैमरा है तो लगे हाँ जब कर लेंगे ना, ऐसा ऐसा देख के बात कर रहे हैं. मतलब भाई कैमरा इधर है तो तेको इधर देखने का, कैमरा में नहीं देखने का. इसी तरह चीजें होती है. So you know, I get the point because I go through comments, I go through what people think about me, I go through what to do next. If I don't do next, I घर पे पैसे नहीं आएंगे. You know, there are so many things I have to apply every day. मेरे बाल जल रहे legit क्योंकि इतने सारे problems होते हैं in terms of क्या नया बना है. And it's a very fast moving industry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
so fast कि कल उठ के कोई कैसा भी फेमस हो जाता है ना, you like
Yeah.
कल तक तो मैं इससे कंपटीशन कर रहा था, ये कहाँ से आ गया, अभी इसके साथ करना पड़ेगा. Now, you know,
Correct.
and if you go to Instagram, you just randomly put any name, उसके बाद 100 के फॉलोअर्स होंगे, इसके बाद 50,000 फॉलोअर्स तो होंगे. सब
Random
लोगों ने लिखा है,
people,
उसके
really.
नीचे लिखा है
Like me.
डिजिटल क्रिएटर लिखा है नीचे. मतलब फक ये भी है, इसके बाद कैसे 1000, कोई को लोग तो 10 मिलियन पे. मतलब ये कैसा इधर आया, ये इसका क्या वीडियो है. कोई तो वीडियोस तो ऐसे ही बनते हैं कि खाली चल रहे रास्ते पे, उसको 2 मिलियन व्यू है. मैं और अब मैं चल रहा है मेरे को कोई वीडियो नहीं दे रहा है. तो इट्स अ लॉट टू टेक इन एंड
No,
एवरीवन.
no, agreed.
And you know, when you pick topics also, it's a thing that you all go through the same thing. Sometimes ये topic बन चुका है. So now if you think all
New
this week
spin.
you've thought
Yeah.
about this topic and तुम देखते हो कि 4 लोग ने पहले ही बना दिया है. तो you have to think again. तो पैसा तो उसमें आना ही चाहिए भाई. दिमाग
No,
कितना
no,
खर्च
of
होता है.
course. Yesterday, like I'm saying, yesterday I was we got stuck in the traffic in the car. So she was like, "Oh, show you this reel." So I was like, "How do you make a reel?" So she's showing me, and I was like, first of all, oh my god. Then tried to put. I was like, "What's a trending song? Like, what's a song that's cool?" And then in my mind, I don't dash when I tell you I don't know this. So I was like, that Harry Styles Watermelon Sugar, right? I was like, Watermelon Sugar. Hi. I was like, oh, that's a trending song. So I found it and she was like, okay, yeah. I've gotten 4 DMs from strangers. I have 2,000 something followers. Like I'm nothing. Like I'm really nothing. DMs from people like, you use the wrong watermelon sugar. You use the wrong one. And I was like, and they're like, why didn't you use a trending one? And I was like, what are you talking about? So then I went on to Instagram and I did hashtag watermelon sugar. It's in my search also. And there's the other version, which is that when at high, it goes like, hi, how high, like, do you want to be mine or something like that? And it goes a different song. And I was like, I did this wrong. I didn't even. I was
You
so
tried your
upset.
best.
It was my
So,
first reel.
मेरे को ना बहुत एंग्जाइटी हो गया था when they started reels. Like fuck, अभी
भाई
इस पे काम करना पड़ेगा. All this while I was working with normal IGT. पहले IGTV आया तो उस पे 1.5 मिनट का 2-3 मिनट का कंटेंट बनाओ, फिर 1 मिनट का उसके पहले आ रहा था. Then YouTube अलग से content, because you know YouTube में people are different. They are very smart. They look for good content on YouTube.
Yeah. That's true though.
And you have to make an 8 minute, 9 minute, 10 minutes video. I was making a minute video, maybe a 50-second story. फिर reels आया जिसमें 30 seconds का you have to engage. You know the retention rate of a crowd on Instagram is 1 second.
yeah.
So if I don't attract you in a second, you will scroll up.
It's
So
over.
imagine
Yeah.
I have to take your attention in a second. So I have to, एक तो 30 सेकंड का वीडियो बनाना चाहिए, तो तुम कितना सोचोगे 30 सेकंड्स का. एंड एवरी डे पीपल आर मेकिंग रील्स 30 सेकंड्स का. तो ये जो प्रेशर है ना, इतना डिफरेंट है, इतना वियर्ड प्रेशर है कि कैसे कोप अप करने का इसमें वो समझ में आता है. देन दे स्टार्टेड रीमिक्स ऑफ रील्स. आई लाइक फक, अभी दूसरों के साथ वीडियो बनाने का ये उसका अलग से प्रेशर. ना पीपल आर एसिंग इट ऑन रीमिक्स एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एंड आई एम लाइक ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लाइफ में, कब तक करने वाला ये सब में. तो यू नो आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग माय, सो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड माय YouTube चैनल. उसके बाद मेरा फक उस पे भी 9 मिनट का अलग से वीडियो. सो आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट 10 मिनट वीडियो, देन आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट अ मिनट वीडियो, देन आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट IGTV वीडियो, देन आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट रील्स. उसके बाद जाके घर पे पैसा आता है. देन पीपल आर फकिंग मेकिंग, घर पे बैठे चिल कर रहे, AMA कर रहे. तो लो अभी मेरे को सोचना पड़ता है कि कैसा आस्क मी एनीथिंग करने का, कोई क्यों इंटरेस्ट ले रहा है मेरे लाइफ में, क्या ये ऐसा सब होता है.
Take your 1.5 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Take it and go.
But Viraj, how are you taking care of yourself, your emotional and mental health through all of these things?
I think I started this because I liked it. So I've never taken this thing as seriously. Well, if you see me, I've started with likes of Ashish and Bhuvan Bam and all this. They've reached to another level, but I'm
Yeah.
still at very slow pace and वो चल रहा है. People know me. ऐसा मेरा life अच्छा चल रहा है. So I'm not taking it that seriously because I don't want to apply brains, as I told you guys पहले. Like I don't want to apply brains कि ये करना है, because there are a lot of things के algorithm कैसे तुम ठीक कर सकते हो. You have to use certain tools in Instagram के ये टाइम पे पोस्ट करना है. ये मैं कुछ नहीं करता. मैं अपने हिसाब, मेरे को मन किया मैं पोस्ट किया, नहीं किया डिलीट कर दिया, नहीं ऐसा चला डिलीट कर दिया. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So I'm not applying that much amount of brains, and that has worked for me very much.
Yeah.
मतलब ठीक है स्लो चल रहा है ना, पर घर पे मेरे को पता है कि इतने पैसे आने चाहिए, उतने आ रहे, खत्म हो गया मेरा काम. So I'm not aiming करके मेरे को आज का आज बनने का ये करने का है. And I take my time out whenever I feel low. I take a break. I like चल ठीक है
That's
नहीं
good.
करने, नहीं डालने का है, नहीं करो, मत करो.
Yeah.
I chill with Palak. I chill with my friends and just chill, because there are so many things other than Instagram in this world which I never knew.
Yeah.
And when you come out of it, because when I went to Manali in this year, like Jan Feb, 7 दिन मैंने सोच के रखा था. Imagine, because see, for people who are in corporate life, they chill on Instagram.
Yeah.
And if I want to chill, I go to Instagram, it becomes work.
Yeah.
Because I start curating things कि ये ऐसा कैसे बना रहेगा, ये कैसे बना रहेगा. So मैंने बोला 7 दिन में कुछ नहीं करेगा, मैं सिर्फ इस पे रहेगा. 2-3 दिन मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ, बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ. इट्स लाइक लीविंग सिगरेट्स. ऐसा होगा था कि मेरे को फोन कहाँ है, मेरा फोन कहाँ है. तीसरे दिन का फक इट, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है फोन का. एंड दैट हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that discipline helped me कि नहीं अभी बंद करना तो बंद करना है. I watch lot of movies. I recently got interested in Harry Potter, which I like. Bro, ये क्या बाप मूवी बनाया है लोग ने.
अच्छा movie तो book पढ़ा.
Welcome.
बुक
He's
क्या बुक
English,
पढ़ा.
yeah. He said, yeah, he has a problem.
कैसा बुक पढ़ेगा.
ठीक है नहीं नहीं मस्त पिक्चर भी मस्त है सारी
इतना
picture
बड़ा
मस्त है.
बुक है, कौन पढ़ेगा. 1.5 घंटे
Sorry.
की मूवी है, खत्म करना
नहीं
है.
नहीं सही है. तो कितनी फिल्म देखी?
Should be
So
recorded
I'll be
out
watching Goblet of Fire today.
Oh my god, love it.
Oh, enjoy.
So मैं
It's gonna
मैराथन
be
पे
fun.
हाँ मैं मैराथन पे
Wow.
था. So which
To
I
be honest, Goblet of Fire is the least exciting book.
No, but as a film, it's well made, huh? It's a well made one, the movie.
Yeah, Prisoner of Azkaban. is
Prisoner
the
of
best
Azkaban
book.
was amazing.
Best,
Like, बहुत
best.
सही था. तो
Most pure Potterheads like Prisoner of Azkaban a lot. Like as a book, it was good. As a movie, it was good. Like that number 3 does well for a lot of people.
Yeah. So
But
and
I won't keep. Say.
as a person,
Sorry.
I'm very curious. Like I like to know. Like I watch videos on ये ऐसा क्यों बनाया है. Like for example, roti. Very simple thing, roti. गेहूं था इतना छोटा सा. वो कहाँ से किसने सोचा कि थ्रैश करेगा, मैं इस पे पानी डालेगा, मैं इसका
आटा बनाएगा,
उसमें
yeah.
तेल डालेगा, उसमें वापस आटा डालेगा, फिर ऐसा
गैस पे
करेगा,
डालेगा.
फिर गैस पे डालेगा, फिर घी डालेगा, फिर वो बढ़ाएगा. कौन सोचा इसका दिमाग कौन लगा रहेगा.
Crazy.
All these things. Like for example, very stupid example. You know सांबार कहाँ
Yeah.
का डिश है पता है?
I mean, we think it's
Wait, हाँ मैंने ये कहीं तो पढ़ा था. I think महाराष्ट्र का ही
It's
है.
Maharashtra's dish.
Yeah.
Because it was made after Sambaji. Let's call it
Yeah.
sambar.
Correct.
I never knew. So I like to read about food, and I like to, this is my happy place. I love food. Like I want to travel to Kerala to eat the best burger in India, which is top 20 in world. So all these things, I love these things.
Can you send the link of this?
हम भी
on this
जाएंगे
chat?
भाई. We are bookers also.
Yeah,
I
seriously.
traveled to Surat to just eat one particular dish which is famous.
Which one?
I can't tell right now. My mom is watching, so.
Non-veg खाई छे तू सूरत जाएंगे.
नहीं, there's a particular dish. बाद में मैसेज बात करेंगे ना.
Hey, but have you eaten khaja from Surat?
No, what's that?
Have you eaten
Guys, am I the
ghari
only
from
person?
Surat?
Ghari, of course, we've all eaten.
I've eaten that.
And pork? Have
Of
you been
course
to the
I've eaten
pork
that.
Pork
markets
is
of
the
Surat?
best. I love
I've
pork.
eaten that.
Like I didn't know pork comes from the place that it comes from. Like I didn't. It was beautiful.
It's
it was so
jawar, na?
green.
Fresh
Yeah,
jawar.
but the way that they make it in Surat, like they dig those like fucking graves in the ground and they fire it and thrash it.
Yeah.
And, like the same thing of this roti. Like you just see that nice pork counter at a wedding and you're like, wow, yum.
हाँ.
So
With that
And also
same and all.
mushrooms. किसने कितने सारे गंदे फंगस खाए रहेंगे तब जाकर मालूम पड़ा कि तू मशरूम है. ये खाना चाहिए, ये नहीं खाना चाहिए, ये खाना चाहिए. So that's my happy place. Whenever I feel like fuck it, तो मैं ना एक चैनल YouTube पे best ever food review show. वो मैं देखता है, वो उसमें नॉनवेज खाता है, उसमें सब खाता है, कहाँ से वियतनाम जाके कुछ भी खा के आता है, तो मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है। I do all
That's
this.
awesome.
I research about food, so.
Thank
Okay,
you so
Viraj.
much for your time,
Yeah.
though,
Oh, खत्म हो
Viraj.
गया? Fuck.
Nahi,
Arey,
we want you to give.
we
Let's
can
do
talk,
top 5 adulthood tips from Viraj as a closing, or top 3, or top 1. Any
give
closing
some
wisdom
advice.
for our
Nice, sweet,
listeners?
tasty
Yeah.
advice.
For
I think
ones of us between in our 20s, struggling or not.
that should be too far from my side. I think be yourself. Don't be shy for like being yourself. Whoever like embrace it. नहीं आता है ना, आई थिंक मैंने ना फैशन के किसी बहुत बड़े उसने सुना था कि इफ लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दैट गर्ल वाज लाइक कि आई हैव स्मॉल बूब्स, आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस, उसने ना व्हाटएवर यू हैव टू शो इट आउट, लाइक नॉट इन जनरल, they you know.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, this is not about breasts only, listeners.
It's about qualities.
हाँ, व्हाटएवर यू डोंट हैव इट यू फ्लॉन्ट इट, ऐसा उसने बोला था। उसने कुछ तो देन आई लाइक फक, मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आता, मैं फ्लॉन्ट करेगा, नहीं आता, मैं वो चीज को टॉपिक को एड्रेस करेगा, मेरे को नहीं आता है। देयर आर सो व्हेन आई गिव माय फर्स्ट टेड टॉक, उसमें ना ऐसा था कि मैं जाके सीधा बोल दिया कि मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आता, तुमको सुनने का तो हिंदी में सुनना पड़ेगा, बाकी जो करना कर लो। पब्लिक ताली मार रहा है, मतलब फक, ये तो मेरा क्राउड है अभी तो। देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स, सो मेनी पीपल जिसको नहीं आता है इंग्लिश, कितने सारे लोग जिसको शर्म आती है कि मेरे को नहीं यार मैं कैसे बोलेगा, देन आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर देम। So just be yourself in terms of do not be shy कि मेरे को ये नहीं आएगा, नहीं आता तो बोल दो। People
Yeah.
because when you ask doubts, you'll be smarter later. At that time you'll be
Yes.
so you'll be smarter.
Yes.
तुमको समझेगा बाद में
Yes.
कि हाँ वैसा है। And
That's good advice.
you know, all second thing is कि do it and then regret it rather than just regretting it कि काश कर लिया होता। That's my.
I agree with you wholeheartedly, especially in matters of the heart. Do it and then regret it.
Do it क्योंकि I left engineering because वो टाइम में मैं सोचा कि कैसे बोलूंगा, समाज को क्या लगेगा, घर पे क्या होगा, because my mom, I'm the only earner, what will people think now? These people जो घर पे बोलने आते थे ना, वो लोग ही घर पे मम्मी को बोलते कि आपके बेटे को बोलो ना मेरे बेटे को वीडियो में ले ले। Now the times have changed, so do it
How
and
the
then
tables have turned.
Poor engineers, you know, you comedians have screwed the life of an engineer.
Thank you so much,
you,
Viraj, for
guys.
your warmth and your words and
Seriously.
the joy you bring into every room you walk into.
Thank you,
including
and
our
also
Zoom
it was
room.
great talking to you guys. Also please call me whenever you guys are
Yes!
We will. You
You
can
feel
be
like and I can
adult-
talk about any topic. तुम खाली बोलना ये टॉपिक है, मैं रिसर्च करके आया, मैं बात कर लेगा उस पे।
Done.
he can be
Done.
an adult correspondent, you know,
You are going to be a feature. Yes.
a bread
Yes.
winner of a family, which
Yes,
neither
the
of us
adult.
are. He's the
Alright.
actual adult.
ठीक है.
ठीक है guys, see you.
But thanks
Okay,
so much,
Viraj is
Viraj.
obviously on all Instagram
Yeah, I
and
mean,
wherever.
we don't need to
You
plug
guys know
him.
we are not going to plug him. He's there. And you can listen to more shows like this
But
on
if you
IGN
go on
Podcast.
Viraj's IG, then he will plug us. So
Yes.
that's where you will
Smart.
find us now.
I will.
I'm
Alright,
smart. I'm
guys.
sneaking in. I'm sneaking in.
Thank
Just
you
say,
guys. Have a great
just say
night.
hi. Just say hi on to my this thing.